Okay, I was here for Yamamunya Chen. Emma Kwaba, Eba Kawasem Jimedio, so I know Quada. Yabako Ghana for Nina, Naya Mamo Quenya, na and somewhere across war, Mamu, I also do one to Mubi. Now also swag can be, now also can be a ye. Near Bani ya when Niji Hon, now Bonabaso, the I Koswa ye, say a oppressive for ya soldier for soya. Members of Parliament, Assembly members, Nananama Trankunya, sorry, Kasa, political parties, woman Komodie, Kasa be Abetoha, be our Nino, be our Memuhano, also your mind, Munipani Bia, Oyet Memunia, also Chawajina, then mom, Yan say ya, Yenka, Ateni and Kaho, Yabani say ya, Kasa Chicheni, Yen so, I don't think I know pay yatna say, if it's time to come on Grumpemono. Eyo jankwa ye kaja som na osuso wa kire wadwene. Okay, and this yamanyokuo ayo omo nsese ya omo kire se November afiwe omo beyi ne oye Franketuni no ma se date ni nyina gu ho kama omo beye branch ward constituency regional national elections. It's a free samre ko ya no MPP for sure omo de ase afa no madu regional elections no and this is so be sure omo de ase na just say e de demu sa provisional timetable Ayera Johnson say dun kati ansasa ase no omo kire say branch elections ukuada 15 June and a constituency elections September na October regional executives atoaba national executives November na flag bearer there February 2023. It's November. You better say, don't get Yabako Jana Chairman, said ya yet to Tianoa. You better say, Sami Photo, a young national chairman, Obasako preview. Brantia was antimantem, one more call for chairman, one more call for vice, one more call for India. This year is definitely starting with an election year. Easy cry. Now, I don't know, and I'm saying, MPP for also regional elections. As antimantem asase huru campaign asase den a che say enkrofo dwagumum na yakoya nim no presby Methodist asafo mo fanchame e de krata ba abontene a omo say Right Reverend Bosomtwe Ayensu this be okano over the weekend former President John Dramani Mahama ehun beda dwamu a omo say he's taking him to the cleanest no omo say Papa no jina content chrono can asem. He does not represent the voice. Methodist. So for penny, our down man no hear the voice. So for penny no Methodist. One no and I hear the voice. Methodist was obeti so be akasa. Na I am Methodist. So for penny na akasa. No kasa. I am a representative Methodist. City Papa no, a yes of Right Reverend Bosomtwe Ayensu, Wakasa in his capacity as a Ghanaian, as a citizen, not a spectator, and also as an individual. NDC for the Krataba Bontina, Omo Ebo Methodist Asafo, no Abaso Johnson said in Katia describe. And I see you of NDC. As I say, all say, one more any saw the Methodist for I and the pa. Say, Omacho, more free papa and semno. As I said, NDC for baby, no Methodist are sorry, no way. And then the Omayano, I saw many, it was more bomb Methodist Asafo, Abaso pa. Yo, minority is accusing government of collapsing NHI, National Health Insurance, and something now told justice, see. Crofo bebre omoya service providers akatuya ne nko sika isu so statutory payment aban no ukoto ade VAT NHIL National Health Insurance Levy 2.0% and that's what it's a day and a sika nko aban na jijis wontua say see me no ka say bebre threatens and hwe ye be kakra no wo mo be dey wo me ka kire say o ba fasika bra eno ye cash and carry anye sa wo mo mpene ensema hodo bebre ene etwaguo ya bo ama abegyina ha obone tai kama agose je wa akode wono so wa ha memrantie mabrantie ne mababa wa papa bi na ho te sen
adomo
bibia dadi ahwe nana uchichi ni wa
oh ne de manfa
baba
ayiran system
ana nra
oh dabi edru ka wasem no anese na me de
asem mama me oh okay all right kaja so me enko na yemfa kase no emremo ye be transe a eyo janko a
Azafo no nsia na bobe bia wo bia ya mo ache mo akwa bamra so so mamuni ama wodo bi so nsam a ya bobo no ye ba ne ye de ba beso mo nsam ne do so no pay na poso enie
Methodist asafo ye wo my Ghana mu de krata pieja e dia fa bishop osonche yeso ne nsam wanansi okeka ne ho
enam so ma NDC amanyoko ne che so mo bo Methodist asafo na ba so ye power sa akukudura na mo no a womo etu no eho
church for penye de ma mobile money agency wo my Ghana mu so de atodwa kira se E-levy no about na se enti Ghana de hye enyentum
na Public Utilities and Regulatory Commission in Penin for che se na no ECG for asem no a womo ebekan ne Ghana for yenki akomantu na light bill ne nyade a womo ekwa akotutumu sa
na so medwani ya wo atwema kwangoma bato mpeso so de atodwa wo se NPP breaking the 8 no aye ka no eye to ho ache ene modemo
na ye mani ye nuanom na womo gentete we nursing training colleges ahodo na babontia babe ya nurse for no monka bomuko che so malawa ne ema o ema bebo so menkunu akamu a womo ntempanimfo nka
afe ye bekọ konfano cha bayar sabia ne akwakwhwe akoda Stephanie nketia ya na sentem wa maame one ne tie de ne nsa nu so hyiemu no se ne akoda na pomden esitie
awzafo we ni afoforo pi ni akekese ne se kase ababi a wo bia na no pay ye ba ne de ababesomo ye ne yesoma no pay na ya obo malibi abogamene
akosia agi wakodi
awzafo en sha kase na semfam free John Wesley Methodist asafo no matena ye na Methodist asafo no kire se right Reverend Bishop Bosomtwi ayenso enye se bia wo mo ayina ma se ye tiefo pa be ka hye nso anano na mampani da John Dramani mama babonte be kasa ye de efa E-levy no ho a na ne nsamo a wo ka nyina ne se so don for ya dom amana de nkunim 2024 elections no a ene ade enche so kra E-levy no mampani na do dan kwa kufu ado de aba no obeyi de afi ho no mo na no na right Reverend Bishop Bosomtwi ayenso wo kwayi mampani da John Dramani mama no wakoye ne se papa no waka che ni praying enye praying fa se wonni nkunim mpo ena mpese E-levy no waba beyi de afi ho no ne papa waka asasemi amanfo ahoro no papa wo ma pro no anya sanketwa enam so be nra eye Methodist asafo no e de krata ba bonte e be che se papa na sa asem no okan ye no eye ono no asem a na nya Methodist asafo na asem anyem bia kwa na nya ono ene kasa e de ma Methodist asafo no na eno ena eye bishop a wada Methodist asafo na no wo Boase diocese eye right Reverend Bafo Asamoah J ene Sompa FM nsɛmtwɛfo Pennsylvania Katarumante edin koma no che se sa ansɛm no mo be ka ye no soso no enche se omunua sofo pani Bosomtwi ayensu Methodist asafo no ayi no ede ama
Sompa ye ni ma de pese kira de se nyama Ghana fo nyina hu se Methodist Ghana wo ho yi no by our constitution no official spokesperson is our presiding bishop. Any member of the church between baby a canon sembia or pebia say make political statement ono anasebua but in Methodist Ghana na yakasa nti ebese che say yesi yi na maso why so for so na so for amokomu obi antimi nyi ne mada so why so for na sam na okoka ye no na ye twe ho afiri ho say ono asem no kan ye enye say papa no na ye say e bi yi na mada bi why so for ye so for pa ye ni je no ye panasem ye ntano we love him he's one of us nemu asem a oka ye no and yanka say ne ya dwan say ne ya dwan mamu ye senye ne ono ana dwana ya solid there for no amenu ko ne bia bi wom sabe e ma me Jane opoku adema ya oye NDC Franka tufo abedi akire no oye Methodist ne o Methodist ni papa yi team so oye Methodist evangelist sa na papa Tames no oye Methodist nti Methodist for any all NPP for so almost oye Methodist for nti ye nti na asole no ankasa de yenta party bi eche no se Methodist Ghana yakota party bi eche tankwankwa bi o party we bi no okogina na wi na nim okogina party bi mu a no ana sadia be mo wutimi fa sole ni di enkonko bata ho
Observanti Methodist asafuna no akrata omode ba bonten no na Right Reverend Bafo Asamoah Jeya Methodist Diocese ewo boase woda no chese no nchese Right Reverend Bosomchia Yensu asafuno eyi no ede ama
Chino Right Reverend Aya Bafo Ajay asade tujwa echirose wom sasaforo wom so amanyosem so se ne wadi nka kan wono na so amaba pa bia wo ho kwan se nuam na ekoso wo magana mu na se ntwa yi a woseche ne se duasam yene no wakasa ne tia enji se ne wo na bomonte so no wakasa na dwenkyere na wo kire ya asafo no wo mu enim ho hwe
people say the boninti na eche din anti obia wo ne din ena obia so wadwe odenam gisa nye ne na Bishop Osumtwa Yesu ye tene nka wo amanyosem ho ono oye osofo a odiri se bibi nkoyi wo man no mu a o se ye ka ono ne position no nti on de da bia o ka amanyosem wo ka asofo ni obi a na kasa pa amanyosem ebi wo no mu a aye din eja ye de mpaibo na ta o man na chi ebi su kasa pa amanyosem ho o ze Ghana ina asofo bi wo no mu a o mu bia ta ka amanyosem ho nsam nti ehomu se de o ka ye no ahabinum efa bi wo o man mu enso Jesus na mekani din ena bata ho enti asore ne de ye obi buza say ye twe nwufiri wam so ye se ye twe nwufiri ye mata ho ena ye twe nwufiri ho say ka presiding bishop the kasa de a ena ka kasa we the Methodist Church has spoken but we the Bosomtwa Yesu or past bishop or boase ena akasa the Methodist Church na akasa enti se bibia ho a mise ekono pona no ono aso de bia omu a Methodist mra no se obie no a obro mra so te o ma Ghana mra obro mra so nti o ya de bia etia asore no mra de a asore no wo ekwaya be fa so a ye no be kasa sa so twe wo ha ye president bishop kura ya de na etia asore no mra asore no kwaya fa so ni nyina ehye wo ehye wo ha be fa so ye ne be fa so nti ze no ye ntimi gaza so wo kan ye no etia asore mra bi because empanifo betena se ya president bishop tukwai enche obeba isuki ya obeba so oba empanifo betena za hwem se asemo kan no tia o man asole ne mra bi nti asole mra bi ade a wakala se ankura
near your turn and carry your Right Reverend Bafo J wono a presiding bishop ewo boase diocese
na Methodist nsem ya NDC amanyoko de krata ba bonte cheso mo bo Methodist asafo na baso ye pa ewo sa kukudura na mo ya wo matuo de krata ba bonte ye chese ensem no papa ne ka ye na yo no anasem a na nye Methodist na Methodist asafo na sem na nye ono kra so na kasa de ma Methodist asafo no ora Johnson esiedu nketi a wo ye twotwofo pani de NDC amanyoko na de krata we ba bonte a omonso mo ka nyina ne se enyamre di kan nie ya Right Reverend Bishop Bosomchia Yensu wo kasa anase wo twetwe bi dia NDC amanyoko no mo kai pa se 2020 elections ni mu a eja na omani abre eye campaign ekotire ni tire no papa ekogina ba bi ko kan sai se Ghana fo nim no mo to aba e de mama mpani da John Dramani mama ne NDC amanyoko no mo ba ba mu a free SHS no a mampani na nado dan kwaku fo de aba no obetwam e de afi won mo abra na NDC amanyoko no so nye o madwene bia se free SHS na wo mo mampani na nado dan kwaku fo de aba no wo mo ba betwam enti Methodist asafo no nkrata wo mo e de aba bontine NDC amanyoko HSA wo mo eta wo machi na omo bo no mabaso e wo sa na mo no wo mo etu no mo chese wo mo eka empanimfo wa NDC amanyoko amanyoko no mu a wɔn ɛsom wɔ Methodist asafo no mu a ɛnya asɛm ketewa nanu ya Professor Jenna no Poko Ajimaya, no ye Franketu for the Chirama Mampeni da John Dramani Mama, and NDC amanyoko no, wɔ ye Methodist asafo no e ba soronko a wasoma asafo no mu firi ne nkwada brem ebesi ne wɔn mo emampeni anase Ghana mampeni a wanya ne baabi kro Professor John Evans Atama so no wɔ ye Methodist ni mapa ye firi ne nkwada brem nyina kentekere ene ade ade nyina watutu bie ɛna pa kwesi amisata Ghana ye vice president one so wanya ne baabi kɔ one so no ye NDC ni ye wa kuku damu a still ya omoda so wa NDC amanyoko no mu a omo esom e wo Methodist asafo no mu nti no omo de ne omo kan se we no emma se bia omo nkobunemu ne Methodist asafo no mu munemu na wo mu ne mum abasobɔ no mo de mo omo se omo atu akukudura na mo no ma ba bonten abese kire aka se right reverend bosomtwa yensu ne nsɛm no a wɔkeka ne ɔno anasɛm a ne mum enye Methodist asafo no wo mo enum ensɛm eno no
ye konsɛm foforo mu na ora Evans was say to two church for penny edema mobile money agent here wo my Ghana mu won de ato dwa sesa E-levy no a belsa na watching temni aban de ba no yade a aba tenase ye wo se ho mra no yade no yetumi agitumu wo se wom sa de papa bi abonyo ta ho se ne de nka aba no Ghana de hye be hyase abo hwene de afa ho de na so yenyentum na enkyerɛkyerɛ wo dro se fata sa aban de gu akwamu no yetumi eye ema no yeyi
efibra the most of the percent or the levy ban. That plan you might be going and I found that I dream said to say, yeah. It's time no can say about the number. Now about the number, I mean, see you are between I have agree. And I mean, no can so I start here Juma. We cannot continue to be saying the same thing over the time. So, E-levy no say yet say I mean young transfer boni ebo yet do money so and after a week of implementation feedback about I mean my business it is understandable we expected that to happen and I feel say in the few time to come and now say business will begin picking now. After implementation, you know, education on the whole thing has been very poor. And when Ghana for the governor, I say after the implementation, and Nigeria Modia is Mubama. It's the idea, and as I said, Abanshana, Opika, and I say education concerning the E-levy, you know.
Ora Evans was say to two church for penny de mobile money agents here wo my Ghana mu and na watch us E-levy no de ababa tena se se agitum na mum e ho nkyerɛkyerɛ aban no hwɛ na wo miem
every inform Public Utilities and Regulatory Commission in Penning Force so atena ye normal sre Ghana force adwebro yenke akomanto yem na no asema Electricity Company of Ghana ECG for the betu dwa say ye ma kwan na light bill wo muntutum be 148% ya amanfo adwala wo ho ekeka bi di kire ECG no Public Utility for woman say bia ye betu ye light bill mu ene ye water bill mu a ye de koto wo manim na ne wo makware wa kobusa bere wa plus times ya kekese ne na so ma pene so a wo ma pene so ma ECG ne man sukuru adwuma ko Ghana Water Company Limited for wo ma kwa akotutum na no ne nei wo mo ekire se wo mo ma kwan bia sa se ECG for enkototo ye light bill mu akese sa opani ba ko a okọ PUC a PURC a wono ene Director of Research and Corporate Affairs Dr. Kofi Obute and any Sompa FM in some chef wedding common.
Utilities for ECG for no only proposal say if you mind be ever proposal no now almost see tariff na area mom best 2018 scene and fine sanka na 2018 soon yet tariff no so mom afi almost see a exchange rate no dollar any cedi no say no time na ye tariff no they 5.7 cedis to the dollar. Say almost tariff no dollar no number 7.8 cedis to the dollar. And almost fango na ya omudi omujuma no so no anu so no no bono eswa na eko. Nti amba omudi proposal no ebre almost omu hia etutumbe 148%. But eno no omu ade na omude abetu ye ni fina commission no ehwehwe mu oye hwehwe mu na ye their friend stakeholder consultations nti ye ni amfo nyina kasa na ye ji o ma adwe ye dia ebebe mu nyina no na ye de be yema.
The Dr. Kofi Obuteo, Public Utilities and Regulatory Commission on a penimpa or her research any corporate affairs so and was Regana for the Yankee Akumantu Yamopa.
On one young Kofi Amankwa menu Yamaso Jenny Watchama Kwama Baton Peso. One walk ye in a so far the chair or share your bamboo moo. Now what they are two judges are 50 million near June 9. And people on your corner can Wamaka Kwasa will bet you are breaking 18 year dear. A double pefe. Sanyami to my new bet to me acquaye. Now so ya can ye can in an aqua genet to watch and watch you cry more than bo and a jumadin a can who be said among your corner bet to me dear Guaquem. The sanity and sent about to and we piano corner to a query change you was so meant to was say what you were coming because I just shown to about one so ya dear. Ebe had you papa paya and she yamanyokono, ebe how more 50 million and ye do no nine.
About 2 baby, Nam say I apparently. I name Mukasa, now we I say, an MPP, a mamreno, a bassa, I say a 2 bunny we are, it will be out to form the Naya Bako. Na 7 penny for a woman, Yata or Mochi, said the Bay, a Juma Mobile and also a Jumano bit me a coso, a Juma Mobile and a coso, a cosuma in intimate, such Mako, my ever to a buyer to a court case, so, but Sabe, Yatu Banevi, and now. Wow, by who ye only adore I war and animal tem Sabe and Nura and yes, say a better abano and then also say wow she nipa a buy a year a chess nipano I a crowd of party umbi party nechi I jumadin to say Sabe about 2 months and some day you the storming stage we are near about the norming stage they say you are to abandon about the norming stage to mess and we are no so me and your back my 2 Macau Yan Sabe so be a bonia fache and nam MPPT na nyina yenya baako na yenso a new executive team asene na yempion
Nipa yatin nkai eye wodemonyan for Kofi Amankwa menu wono ye mrahwe dwani ye watwema kwanwoma bato empeso aso
afeyan famonko ya nurse for ne ye midwife for mo gentete aba bonti aba behwe apeka kapempe black tonic awi kode binom ne paracetamol e de ama ya no mo no mo kire se wo mo suku no a wono mo ekwa aba bonti sa nurse for ne midwife for ne wala wa bia wo mani tu akra se 2016 e be ye campaign den e wa amanyusem wa bra na ndi si amanjuku na kantamade nsi awi abo aguso so mo betwam na MPP for so social boss mo nto aba ma wonu no mo ba wo mbetire mu kra mana kɔ nanim ne adeadea na ene wo mo kyesa boso menkru nie akam ya mpanimfo emman wonum ekwe wo mo vice president ye Shadrack Edu Jemfiche wo kyesa o matwo krata akwa ma traya ehwe o mayapom de no ho nsensem so se so mo mpaneto empane no a enani kine ya wo mo ntua wo musika emfa ema wo mu.
The last time omutua allowance no was last year April and May 2021. Omutua continuing students yika yani asisi ewo school omutua yen last year which is April and May only 2 months until June year came now it was almost a year from September last year up to December until from June September October November December 2021 5 months meaning my and you did 2022 from January up to this time and my from last year up to this time, I bind the 9 solid months. Almost every school and say, you know, I bind the Omoka 4 months, which is I bind you Omoka last year, no 3 months, April, May, and June. Then I was saying I bind you Omoka from September, October, November, December, 4 months. The May I bind you school to say, continuing students, I bind out the 9 solid months, which was last year from June up to this time. Yente into the last time Nanado Uchiayen allowance in the cano was last year, April and May, into June, then September, October, November, December 2021, 5 months. And April 2022 me from January up to this time. Am I now?
Nedinde Shadrack Edu Jemfiche, one year vice president of the Ghana Nurses Midwives Trainees Association.
Another dear year, Shani Musenya Corporation Diampon Yadomwa. Abofra Stephanie Katia, when you fear no conon and centum, Yabo Mania Sam, Mamma, one and a tier, 2 Ghana cities winty, what they are quadrant, sir, and news with him, Amal make us send in Sending Aurono, one more than about Quartia Tanafi, Adocata Foco Generation Tintin, and will confront Chabaya Sabian why you be at Yabua, and I'm soon Tino some Pacasiabo, Yania Quadrant Mamma, Mammy Adua or 10 what you commodify for me be son, no, sending say. Esitie.
Almost said, it's almost a so Eden Sano, a co theatre nom coin nutrition. Sing a medaya do mamma, and Sano, it's me. I did more quantum, some person who caught it in the movie, to me at Letania. When some of the sanity said the apple one of sanity. Wouldn't the answer and Sapo Sonona. And say, Ukruno, who say, one is Lemon and some money, Sana, a TV, almost in Uncle Poyadma or China, and then almost children, never using in our man, a cototoy. As they say, the iron, artistic, they say, I'm so Acrano. Maybe I was beginning to know. Call to nature saying, I may add my Busumi 31st and on best friend. I don't know yet, Banady, my many chrono account. By a buyer now, Bomogene 2 whole year and Anna when they were sad down in Nicole. And she had come in Nicole.
Madam Majua Watinwa a aquadasta fenin Katia when you fear no cono. Wakwa money will be someone on a mammy nimpon and not yet ninking.
I was afraid you know we soon are paying somewhere about one of the best someone a young for Monsi Hanafi, Deache Bia, and Omannhene Duboachi and Sum now on Twasane, Kawasam, Tiabaco, my Ghana, in true doing in Tria Sasuni na Wakawasam, so body a car. Oh, come on, say problems, no, a pempen in Fonia no muddy de home come. Yania so man of pain and I aboa my lady abogamine.
Akosia ejiwa dear Naya so konene a catch I would that in tea, Jinasa when you so near man I would up.
Catch
21st clinic say eba sciatica no every usisimu konoa otoase hono ntina fa usrem ekosi wo nanse hono ebo betimi atutu ama wo ankasa wo ho ba bia enye enti 21st clinic wo mo na ye sciatica expert e wo Ghana ha wo mo de bibiduro so ho bibiduro ankasa ene besa o ya no masa de machine aka ho ya de bibiduro ka ho ne asan de wato machine so ya san ya o massage bi ye wi herbal treatment ye de awono ama sciatica 21st clinic na ye expert I will to ase Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho wo oboase wo be ho 21st clinic wo oboase council quarters wo oboase court junction hwa ena kuma senso ahia udru session so wo mo na nie dwaboso wo mo ho sunyane ne wenchi ne ba bia nkranza 0540 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert.
Your beliefs and your values. What do you value? What is important to you? What do you believe? What are things that you wouldn't compromise in life? Look at all of that. Do you value honesty? Do you value truth? Do you value integrity? Do you think purity is important? Who and what ideas represent your values? And number 3, vote for the best interest of your nation. Remember, your vote doesn't just affect you, but it will shape the destiny of your nation. Look at your nation, where it is and where it wants to be. Which of the proposals will help us get to a better place? Which of them? Think of other citizens of Ghana. Do you think their life will be good for them if this particular idea succeeds? Will it help the generality of the people? Will it serve everybody's best interest? Or you are voting because you think when your party wins, you would get something because somebody has promised you something. That is selfishness. And that is an insult to yourself, to your sacred votum. But look at the nation. Where are we? Where do we want to go? And make a wise choice. The advice I want to give you is prayerfully consider this, not only at one time, but every election time. Your vote should not be fixed. Your vote is always an expression of a proposal that is in agreement with you. So you may support a party one year and not support them another year. You may support a candidate 1 year and not support him or her another year because the proposal they put on the table this time is not in your best interest. If every Ghanaian thinks like that, our politicians will stop distributing t-shirts and making songs and giving money and playing games with our minds. They would know they have a people who respect their vote. That is a sacred responsibility. And anytime they go to that ballot box, they are there to think of their hopes and aspirations and the aspirations of the nation, and they want a better life for themselves. I pray God helps you, God guides you, and God leads you in this process.
My friend, our problem is our leaders. You don't stand up for your rights. Democracy means if you do not criticize your condition, you understand, you are a traitor to the nation. You remember our great-great-grandmother? Yeah, Santua. Did she depend on our brofo? She didn't. Go see the castle. Go and see the people they got there. Dr. Kwamina Minimshi, he's there. Professor Dr. Wasem Kwana Mishan, he's there. Dr. Professor Emeritus Kitwabiana Mijedi, he's there. Nana Kuntumpo the first, he's there. You know, evangelist, bishop, Asorisika Kwana Miya, they're there. You know, they don't do nothing for you. We have no water. We have no light. Look, a small road they're building, they can't do it. From Accra to Kumasi should be a 4-lane highway. Stand up for your rights.
Love is strange. It will make you disdain wisdom. People will give you all the advice. You won't listen. Because if love or whatever it is doesn't make us foolish, I mean, what will make a man who is 60 years old accumulated a lot of degrees in his life? PhD, become head, big time, known, great, married, children, 60, at the twilight of his life when he should be really contributing positively to life. At the height of his life, goes to take a girlfriend who is 22. And the girlfriend tells him, "You are my sweetheart, I love you." And the man can think, who will love this pot belly? I mean, let's face it, common sense should tell you, this pot belly I have, nobody will love it. And then the girl tells you, I don't love you for your money. You don't love me for my money? What is there to love? My face is dropping, my stomach is dropping. You are 22, you don't love me for your money? And the man somehow believes it. He's like a little baby. The girl is playing, toying with his man. "Oh, Mr. So-and-so, I love you. Oh, when you smile, oh, there's none like you." And a man grown with degrees can't think. You are being made a fool of.
That is Dr. Mensa Otobel for you. Good morning. Kumasi Asantamai, Ghana. Yamamunina Chima Kwababio. Every Saturday, I compare on Grumpemu. Yanemo Atna. Nah, I was telling you, I called you, and I want to say. Well, call you.
Yes, I be.
Call you, Amrosa. When I catch them, you Ghana, you know, what's the Kawasam about the assembly? But no one to have introduced to meet you. Oh, City out of the Kumino, City out of the Kumino. Yeah. Now, what to say?
Aja, Radiant.
Oh,
Radiant. And a year would have been Yumbia, Matua.
Send it now, GD Abejo. And then you're missing you.
You see, Mama Kuma Tommy
Irradiate. And then every died, you die. Dia was so easy.
Debbie, Mama Kuma Tommy.
That's how you remember.
One man so much be there. And there you, Adam Rekumun, Jesus Christo, maybe that's it. Or Mama Kuma Tommy. John Wakuma, talk about Casabana.
I said that day.
Now, come on, also the year. I said,
yeah, I met my class a weekend. Be now say,
o ma so hu edu be bia na mo kase e ma na da yi a ye sore ne ye pra ye to nwom enne so be ma da yi no wo ba ya homache no sha ase so wo bo serious
da bia homache bia me do newsroom a me de nwom
na dia na esro mpo
I don't know a praises leader. Okay. I want to see about me tell you what you about my terrace. Yeah, sure. He any sasso na kwabra kese so yeah sure many over tenase. Now and some no. We are unaligned to any political party, Methodist Church of Ghana. Penin I say right Reverend Ayensu ya dono. Oh yeah dia name one kasama Methodist asafo. Methodist asafo the kasama no. Penia or dumb Methodist ano. Ono no Methodist moderator. Ono no kasa. No akasa Methodist.
Oh, okay.
I say, Bosomcha Yensu akasa or kasa in his capacity as a citizen, not a spectator, but as a Ghanaian, not because or your Methodist suffered to or kasama Methodist. Okay. Now, Papa na so your friend was say I am speaking as
Bosomcha
Yensu, who is a Ghanaian.
Sure.
Okay.
I think NDC did not take it lightly the comments made by him. He also said when the clergy speaks. And it's not just an ordinary clergy, a clergy of stature. Because Right Reverend Bosomcha Yensu nye nipa ketewa bi on the maturity. Se basa na just say SMP.
Oda doma no.
Oda doma no.
Dom kesi.
Calvary Methodist.
Hey. Big one pa.
And this response if he say it's in the right direction and then we have some bekasa.
Oh, akota ye beka ne say yara say omo response no menka ne say we the gentleman's approach. So anko say bia wo so no yes omo kra kire empanimfo a e wan DC amanyoko no wo abakwa wo som wo Methodist asafonum egusu asom wo asafonum te say Professor Jena no Poku Ajimanom, former vice president the late Pakwesi Bisata and mampeni dada John Evans Fifiata me so no nyina nsorema former Ningo Prampram MP iti mensa no nyina kire say wono so wo ya sorpeni Methodist asafonum a omo nyina members of the NDC inti say Methodist asafo de krata ba bonten na NDC amanyoko no so no asomu chese omota asafo na chi omoni asoni asafo na aye no se ankoye ase omususu omo kikebi e de atre Right Reverend Bosomche Ayensu omuso omani anye ho enye ne edikan ni omo kai se mra na ye ko elections 2020 elections ni mo no
omuso obo ye
Assembly for free SHS no ho se Ghana for to Obama mampenda da John Dramani Mahama obo betwem wa bra na bibia sa eni ho no nti omo fi se enye first time ni enye second time ni but omani je say
there's a penchant to attack
that's it.
John Dramani Mahama.
That's it. But yes, so say uncle say we kebia chire we so kebia chire we na ekoye gentleman's approaches akonta ye pa basa na ede eyi kakra ba wo hwehwe manim say you be pass mo aka so me see no
esa mo see efrem person makafo nya sa na ya mobo mu dira
ene obe akonta be ne den so no de ende eya na etoda maybe a microphone is in the
I want to say what the year there and no pay nyanti say bo ama da ye pa yes same praises so abeto no
enye easy
also the last time you made na ha can say
so what
go sorry fie so mo power also the last time you kind say enne obekọ asori fie me ma kura dọọso che ma na wo ho simply because obia bomb pa ye say wono so bekọ awale pa I'm not surprised to see say be my brother na ni aja no when the face expression it tells you say
ene ma ko yi
we a night budget
any imagine neutrality allowance.
You can't take neutrality allowance. Now neutrality allowance, I don't know why they here.
Let me say there.
Who no that be who the single people the neutrality.
There be single the other day. They say me just say my bomb who asu. And I'm saying no one metna ho a.
Anti neutrality.
Mama neutrality say.
Yeah, they are kind of.
My bomb who asu.
So say I civil servant to our
me civil servant to our
class
so obedi befa ba
sa papa no be pelu ba o ti asira o why stamina chiwo na fe young boys na o show mu sisi no ebi o mu kan se actually no dey say papa mo 16 o befa ba chi
but also Omannhene time na ye school no na ye wadwempo bi say teacher ni a wo ye straight one kola so pa no or no person obo apo minim say uhu sa ala ni bi say
am so teacher ni bo apo
because who bibi kakra hye ho pe
it's like why be paying
he know
that. All right. But me too on you force so as me am the NDC force so crack on the ababontin say omo bo era yensu abaso but Methodist for abaso but before then no na omo abeka say Methodist asafo the abase openi no oye omo dia omo ne no na wo ho what say na dwen na onkasa ma Methodist there were hot headlines that Methodists go partisan this and man omo be yano NDC for so bomb abaso pass say they've done the right thing mami chief
sa no mbeka no sa no mbeka no Omanka na sa so Ghana for be di omo ho yaw because omuntimi me yi omanim NDC as a political party omuntimi me yi omanim say oh yeah born abaso because enim say bia so be free MPP mu kura ko NDC a yenim say de sa party ne ya na omusi ejubility some watimi a free party e kura ba ye ho no ye de ahoho a ehia mkwa but we no ni position no e ba bia wo gina no kura no e ma NDC as a political party sa na wo so mo ka no because o ma bonti kura me kasa e bia Ghana ne wo no obi kura betimi aka say dabre NDC for kura e chance no mo ye duo
Methodist so for penino asem na make kan
mate wase say
ayensu
say na asem wo de ba ye say ni nyesa
say NDC your mama ntimi ntwem
oba wontimi
ntwem na de NDC for no e bo Methodist
abaso say omre ka ta ba
say bankasa ma wo
e na me kire say ne kan no what I say sa na wo so mo ka no omuntimi nka de fufuro bia dan say sa asem na wo so mo ka
okay
because on say asori no enya manwo and na wo kasa as individual o kasa as ayensu me kasa as kwabena kese the moment kasa matter one media metimi a kire me position on the ground but meyi tell one media sinchen I don't think they be a wo ye interview to me kasa masa asam no awo ka no me ne madwuma ko de atwe ho de free hu wo say ai me na me ka wo de ba amonyim ho sinchen nten this as a political party sa na wo so mo ye no sa na wo so mo ye no
o ka Methodist na wo so mo ye no sa o interchange no
deputy me say ayensu asem a wode ba abonten no na NDC as a political party omo de krata abase omo bo asori na baso simply because
very good
simply because omo timi atwe omo ho agyina nkyɛn na omo kyerɛ papa no say ya papa no nko aka ye no
now your issue is clear na NDC ne
oh dabi
na mate se ba say na o ka say NDC bo abaso no
I'm not saying
so but now Methodist ni NDC na interchange
and they want to see
aye and until na me pesa wo ko afa no waka ma na see to us
na me pesa me kire say sorry as a body no omo nya amanyo
good
said the ahemfo nya amanyo no sa na sorry nso enya amanyo na ya na enye wrong say o kire wadwen
very good
but say wo kire wadwen a as baby a wugina no sa bra wo kasa no wo ye hwan na wo kasa wo kasa as hwan wo kasa in the name of hwan na hwan na asoma wo body na wo free mu no omo na asoma wo se be ka wadwen ye nim se na nanom ahemfo bebre nya opportunities a omo timi ya amanyo but wo se be duru mire bi no na asam a wo ka no wo ba wo se enam se wode ne ho adon sa party nti no wo ba wo se na ne nsam no kura no atra eso ba bi wo so kasa duru no because hini bia no wo kasa political party e beba B beba basa ko basa bia uyi wani to that level no e basa se party A party B e background abo se na nsam no a wono ba ho abeka no na wo hwene ho mienu enti andi se de eno a na wo so mo ye
okay
o ma yiri bia ni wo metima ye bia mu
shade we ye wa asese ai e bia sisi amete a o ko boss Omannhene ya dubu ache a ye say o Omannhene of Sompa
yes
tbio it is expected say even after work it is expected say manamontuo no me ni ye bi kwabra kase akoye bibi wo ebia kejetia say Kwabra Kesi di owo Sompa no. You are attached to that enclave no. It is a koba say ohini ni ka sembi ne se antwa yi a ansa na ye be yi ohini ni esi ho say e ohini ni ne kae no. Now you classify and say Sompa force.
Yes.
Are you getting
yes.
me? That is why a man the pardon bebre the car say Methodist for year day Emmanuel. It became very necessary for them to come and even clear the air. But even after that, the man they will come to someone and say, "Yeah, very circumspect because nipa na okasano. Your Methodist for bebre omo ekasa wa Emmanuel mu." I'm call Methodist sorry. But only position on your biantino, Yamfa Yasem. Quabra will be betting aka asama. Uber can or high be over can free, yet the best city. Obi bet my can yasem. Yes. And Obi betting a cassa, a one chain. And yasem, but yes, so mine is say. A bayasem. And you know, so Jina de Biabia, now Cassa. Cassano. Enya kasa no keke ne mom nipa na wo ye na asem ne firi onumba ada no na ya wo ka asem bi obi timi wura ha no mo o sikanti asem o ka anya sede akura ne nyina yesere
simply because
I'm going bi ana afa ya wo tira me kira no ro de me kira no yes ya kosia jewa kodie ka news no o ka asem bi ye nka sa yes awura no o Sompa no ye money din kra also, unless I Sompa and after one media the Krataba say what Akosia said was her opinion, just as Methodist fire. And see, we have to be circumspect, especially so for pennies because you carry weight. Obakai mensa otabel. Say, doctor, tape will be bad until it was free as SHS in here.
Yeah. Free.
Wouldn't they told Papa no? He had to. President Otabel of all people had to come out to say because Okutadom. Sure.
Domutie no.
Afana fawom obi onuma onkona sorry but opena semuntino no. Obe to background based on the comments. To come me no ya just say Methodist for they've done the needful. But going forward, my yensusu yen gage asofo no. Man, that is where my problem because him. Sofu is a semi over Katia party in power. Ebianka MDC be bomb some man.
Send a mekano.
But don't tell me, John.
And a mekano.
Say over car say free SHS in yet. Now the Omannhene your mama and Otanachia. Kakata we beba. Kemba.
Omannhene the NDC yawum the chere. They are trying to say they believe in principles.
Okay.
Sadon person mo chere Ghana for. And the writing na e was from ye.
Principles as in
say amano na ye no. Ye wo kwan ya ye fa so ye no. Omannhene he see a wudira hai. Ye betimi akọ out akoye program but the moment a wo be shatter dey bi kura party colors wo mu no. Omannhene na wa asem a wo kan nyina no. Obi hu ade foforo. Obi hu ade foforo me kan bi fida dem. Last me wo hwa na oba ho be ye program. So wo ka wona kwasi donko.
Yeah.
Doctor. Yeah. Na me wo ho but wo hu me na me te reception ho na wo sign me hu say wuram. Nti me hu
that na me new.
But me dey na me new. Nti na me to ho na wo sign me hu wuram say. What you say? And I'm say so Omannhene na ko no me say na me say okay. Nti ebra wo na wo kasa no doctor ya kasa no. Me see form say me kotonsuo. Amanfo ana ya ba ho so mbepe wa hwe no. Na nya asam keto a. Nti me say doctor ka kire wa.
Ka kire.
E kire nipa a wo ye. Nti nipa bia no Omannhene say o kasa asam no a wo ka dwene ho. Time wa wo ka asam no dwene ho.
I like that.
Asam we free wanu mu ba dwene ho. Time wa wo kasa no dwene ho. Good. Asam bi wo ho a eba but time wa wo sa wo ka no e wo sa wo plan na wo calculate asam ni ye. Anya asam bia na ye ka no bere bia. Erunti na atama na yesusua na ye ko school no. Omannhene say bia me fa na say bia pam me school fees a na e den say me come maame ho. E me come papa ha ko ka kire no. Me come maame ho direct ma kan ye say abena ya pam yo was so de tobo ase anwumre me no papa be di hu nkomo. Wa ma me time a watimi ahunu say sa time no na wo ka asem bi kire papa no a obetumi awi ne heart no agye de me pe e de ama me. obi a wo ho kwa so o kire na dwen amanyosem ne ye Ghana ne ye obi ape wo Omannhene Ghana ye a obi ape say Ghana eye from nke adwuma kure te ha no ben ke be ye mere de amayen but the kind of words I de ba bontene enipa ye I don't cast as for bebre ye campaign bebre ye campaign but the kwa mefa so obe hisa asem na nwina asem de aba no woni mmra wo ho so no wo kire wo se koto aba no ma adazoa enso so no na wo se wa ka asem na asem foforo kura so wonya smart wo ho se campaign na wo ye no but wo yi wani bebre a na e ha dwen na no se ye wa ha and a deputy chief imam wo kwa hafu kukuo mu a wo se adu alanso
yeah okay
deputy chief imam hafu kukuo mu
we are wakai next time okuta megaphone and okuta mic na olidi sorry ya you will be on to one man because of ojina okra no allow akubadu no ka
ontie because
they make out say allow akubadu no and I like the time I okay obakai the Abuaso issue no the Abuasi issue that had to do with the former DC PNM issue ni ba na asem na okan no mo but a senkofo former president
na senkofo ko deep papa na tem no
yes
senkofo ko deep papa na tem
so after preliminary investigation it came out say asem okan no na
was the best
Trudeau but baby e kan no se se ohini ni ti ho e bia mood a wo mu nye me hu situation wo mu na ma be compound no by asem bia to no ma be add up obetima reacting in a manner one we obeka se na ni kura nso ade akosua mood bi owo mu na at that particular moment no utumu se enkoma me ni di no emoa no na me gusu one we obe react obeka se na ni nso ade so timing as you said is crucial in election because minim crofo beninphobia share enkrania no ya Greek minister ya pass a comment be about Isrimfo a another yi na die
onokra no free eastern region papa is it Kwetu
Williams Japan Kwetu
thank you
former Achimoda
yes thank you very much the comment no on the metro no say
spending a life ni juma ni school or ko yin ko no north
yes
nti no the experience with the nordness no back to
back nordness there say I know what you say they had it with a pinch of salt yeah olusu the seat I know MPB
there be ono no yeah 3 cash crops
yes see you
very good but olusu the seat
yeah
president Suso Cheno
or resign as deputy minister of
was called to Jubilee House to resign
I'm so cry mani lusu ni seat wa send any obende ba
at the end of the day it is him saying no crack on the man lusu the seat una wo ye
una free investigative
journalist now the man lusu seat
for some time no na fe na obi free odan ho ya asafo ma free odan wisa achima wisa e no bai onu free ho no e no mkofa ba ko bi so free kro bi e fra asene se so man na asene across so district e no mde ne bai na Mr. Kwetu nso free odan kra keto bi sabi ye fra o jadem e no mde ne bai nti afe no na
omo so omo
de ti na akoye tribalistic issue bia na in fact na nya kura
na omanya omo de
eti abate do omde na bay akwasi akwa abate sister penny e na ne ba no
okay
eti oye odani boy
okay
omo pe
thank you very much for the explanation seven yamamenti also version on the Methodist
yeah madazwe yo katachi e da sia no pe won e fe yo shirt no so kama
also just say Louis Vuitton.
You know what it
Louis
is,
Vuitton,
baby.
Just say the year.
You know what it is. You know what's up, girl.
Yeah.
What mine?
Yes, my dear.
Nia ye kan nyina kwa sasumi enu ntokwa. Sasumi enu kwa. Kwa banani etu atan. Anansi tunumu homa. Shiami no numunom. Ena wonom ho akire won. Papa yensu ofiri toto boba park so. Enye no. Tem bi wo a wo tsena asem a na wo yema hyew. Ye ma ahye ne se o hyeka shoko ko betimi akeka de opebia batatade no hye no se beya obi meka biribi ne ntia atade no ene edom no a wodamu no enti ofrike kan ne nsɛm ɛma yɛhunu sɛ wɔno wɔnyada NDC no ɛnyɛ nnɛ ti de yɛbusa ne sɛ Methodist asafo adan ne nnɛ mode saa issue no koraa ba sɛ deɛ wɔkaeɛ no mo ne nya adwene
na yɛsɛ wajina saa bia hɔ no for years
ama yɛhunu sɛ
so why now
ayesu wɔn pɛ NDC ɛna nka nyɛ sɛ wɔyɛ sɔfo a ka menene ni problem bia wɔyɛ Ghana ni bibi nkɔ yi a ɛsɛ otimi kyerɛ na adwen ɔman sɛ yɛanhwɛ yie na nipa nyina ka ɔma no tum ɛwɔ nsɛm bi ho media me yɛ wasɔfo media me yɛ ɔhe media me nkasa a ɔman baabi a yɛkorɔ no ehu
o ni sɛ yɛ de saa deɛ no so ɛka mpanimfo bi ano ahyɛma pani bi ba abɔnten bɛ kasa pɛyɛ sɛ wo deɛ woyɛ wei mɛnka bi kɔhyɛ kasa na ta na yɛseɛ nyɛ yɛ amanyɔ meanwhile ɔno nso so kɔdwa so kɔtɔ adeɛ ɛkuo no mu ɛnkɔ yi a ɛkɔ yie so a ɔka
ho enti me hawa me enra nwumre nyina na ye story na me kan wasem ne say ache dadaada afa na Methodist for ebe ye saa de we na ye sen kom opipi ne papa ne be kan kadadaada because onya asofudie no Methodist asafo
oh Calvary
wada so wo mu wo firi toto buo ye nye ne a wo kire na dwen ono de utumi so kasa na ye ma hyew se ti sofo na wo yi nanim sei na ye ma hyew ti sofo na wo yi nanim sei adan na fe no beba tu NDC amanyokuo wakama wamoa kobre krata beba eti se no amuso ma ya hunu se sa anamo ya womo de ba no NDC fodi twa no bibia babia wu a womomla se obi kabi na nkwa ma womo so womomra momo ma ne se we Methodist de ma ya de pa se o ma twe mo ho eti womo no se no de mi bu so womo se enka koma womo a komo de beba na
obapa akosi aje wa kode ozo de ni ye de he
eni ewura no de ma no no te
kwara ozo
talented kid
kwara na se me chin de bi
talented omode Reverend Steve Asante aba jo ahome mamne ndi komo bia Reverend Steve Asante ye former president Baptist Convention papa me mo achi o
ni o
ompom to say wadaroma
radio daroma ye ho ye
ye da oba de ase papa enkomodie ni nyina akogina se nyame asofo a wato nsa frɛ wɔ mo sɛ wɔna ensori anim Methodist fo wom Baptist wom Presby wom SDA wom Pentecost ne Roman ne nsori aka nyina no ebi mo fi sɛ ma ɔmo mfo ɔmo ho mfɔre amanyɔsɛm na ɔmo ntwe ɔmo ho ɛba ɔmo nyina mfimfin we nyina akɔpie ɛbra yewura bosomtwe a yensu kyerɛ na adwen sɛ ɔmampani John Mama kasa sɛ ɔba obetwa E-levy mu ɛna ɔse papa no ɔnya no kwafo a ɔsɛ Ghana fo gini di sɛ na enema ɔka sɛ ɔbɛyɛ bebiri wɔ hɔ nom a wanyɛ ɔma Ghana fo ho kyere wɔ mo pa nti enei no ne nsɛm a ɔbɛka no enimu a ɔsɛ Ghana fo so no so na ɔmɛdada Ghana fo anya NDC fo de Methodist asafo de krata ba sɛ ɔkasai sɛ ɔno yɛ kwantenkro ɔkasai na sɔfo pani a ɔkasama Methodist no ɛyɛ wɔn moderator enti no so akasa on kasa ma wɔn NDC fo abɛbɔ na baso ne ebusa sɛ asɔfo ɛyɛ fa na wɔ sɛ egyina a wɔn kasa yɛbɛkasa wei deɛ wanka bi ama wei ɛkwan bi so no ɛnyɛ sɛ bi a yɛka mo so mo kasa bo ahyɛ ana
the kan yɛ no kre etu de bi a ya na edu amanyɛ sɛm a oyɛ ɔsɔfo a kwa be faso akasa no ese o ya yi kakra fine Sompa because ankoba sa ya na akoba se akoye se o ye active politics wa ko gina ba bibia ma nsema wo kano aisa wo no do ho ahye sa ma yokuo no mu na wo kasa azofo ye ne amanyo nsem ka ya na edin because me wa gidi bi se obi a oto ababia oye politics obi a o kire na gini wa abato otoma party we na party we no oye politics then so say ba say wo kasa say osofo a say oye careful is
Because I was for money baby no any wafa baby awugina no oni ho enti eso to me kawasem such a way say enko ba say obi be hu say oh yeah active politics idea edin nanso so e say ya yi because anya yi a beto sintidi ebe sintidi ama asafo manu bebre then the beto this sorry ya din bishop okasa say ono ankasa say contekro ankasa ma met this asafo you are yes you be or you very vocal about his stand the people say or understand very clearly but the American say eya sofu yenya yi isa say anya yi a mpempi no ebe sintidia ama asafo manu aka no any mamunu ko nyina we have to be very careful.
Papa, is it not also at a point to say ebia asemo sane AC kono me kai mrebi presby moderator so for penny amate na what's na dwen na bofrey bi to mane no but ensem no so bi obi a all kano na no kreso wom na ase oman na ye din obi antumi nka. It is expected say nyame asofo so munya kokodro na say omanpani kura ye bibi ne nkoyi amuntumi nka kire no no eye kokoa mu nko a ana du mebi a wo se badwa mu ne hu say na oman for ye na wo ho oman no
the fee say to the BSC nya kokodro ka kire ka ni omanpani bi ye ana politician bi ya enye na esitinya akodro etumi ka ho asem eno de Osha Babu Mua, before they were bold enough to tell kings and princes what was going wrong with their administration. They know they may know Yagin. As I say, it me could draw it me say Yagin, Chere, Omannhene, ya, if he said, Orchia. Then we need our Kuramuno, quite a fast or canoe, as I say, you're careful.
Reverend Steve Santimeda Sianope.
Yeah, right.
Okay. I was here.
I said, Mayan, which I assembly. And me made your mom to two.
No, me mama, Memocasa.
And then so my parking near mammy, I could remember.
And a Memocasa, Nina, Memocasa, sorry,
Yo, my Madassi.
Hey, Ratijabi. I was here. Come, no, if you answer, who you? I was here, I said, we are the kind of same.
Oh, my Madassi, dear, young Yanaman, a year. Na yera bibi yera bosonchia yensu wo ye oman bapa wo ye Ghana ni mapa se koba se bibi enkoyie e wo mayimu a wo ho kwan se osechire ne se aduasam ye no wo ka ne pen e kire se Ghana no enuema nkoyie na yeka no owura no so na semu a wo kan ye no oman matie no mi hu no ba bia wo kasa ya ma ne tra pokoduru ba bi se wo kire se me ye methodist ni me kasa ma methodist no wakasa jina se wono akasa
o kasa as content cro as right reverend
enti asamba yemfa mo no a na nke ha adwene wakane perfect wayi asafo na sinchen ene wono ade ne ho aba se yenka o mai sa asem we ne na no na be kase so o mai gya ne ye ma ho kwan se ye nuanom asofo ye papa no mo ye ahemfo wo mu nwura manwosem a o mai I tell you say baby o mai gya na be kwa koduru no o man no kura no be kwakoduru na tem de die ne nuoma ebeba no anya agoro we na ye a Methodist asafo ne de won mo krata ba yi enche NDC ene ne ye kenkan ho asem NDC fo nso so ade omu di aba se ko ba so omu ka asem bi mane tie owura no a wono so be ba yi ano bo se be kakra na akwakoye tumamento sa ne omo we na duru mra bi a aya na obi tena se wo se nipa somasi anaso obenten uni ho kwan se o kasa ewa manyosemu na nka na semu a wo kana nya bone wo man si ate hai se wo ka bibi na wo de afa adwuma bi ho a wasemu a wo kana nya bone o na momu dibre kita wo wankasa dibre no ena ma wasemu a wo kana ekokọ ye bone ebi na ye nua kwabena ka se wo time a wo de ka ye wo dibre kita wo sanka me akohua mete hai metimi aka asem bia tra sare ma fam ho adi bara asemu a me kana me bisa mo se me dibre kita me e wo sompa ha no ete sei sa me kan man kan yi a etumi de me kwa wie baabi ebe kwa wie che ni station ne kura no yetumi tag station wo ho all because say me free Sompa me ka say the last time ye media station ye sister station one mo kwa kan say me mo station ni din this year bi no kwa tena radio so kwa kan de one mo pa na nka one ma sem mo kan one ma mo station ni din anga say mpanyimfo na say womo mra meka na so asem womo kan no enam se womo tena radio no so kan ye ne enim se womo yi adwuma oho nti no enkofo sha se de tage womo emewi akire company ne kura ba monte a womo de krata ba tu dwa se womo yi omo afirim asem nipa na asem wo kan no wo kire na dwene enti nipa na asem wo kan ye yewura bosomtwa ye so asem no meme de me hu no se eye bone wo ye gana ni wo ho kwan so wo kire na dwene ene wo kire na dwe na mom ni so I was a meeting for me the dia man so
kasa enfio ma
afkanko
se na ye kaya dwene e di kawasem mo kawasem
ni me pa chawsem
kawasem so
fanko central nansa wam
kasa vitio
e di o man se ne ye kono no sa asofo me ye sofo me ye ohene kebe ebetumi a maybe mom de madwene mu a sa no ma no amanjosem yenye hu mfirim.
Yeah, but the issue is this. Yen share on the angle say nipa no so ye Ghana ni. Wabo clerical. E jo ko pension no me kire na adwene na.
Yo.
Na me ne Reverend Steve Asantika o say obetima yakuku anya kodu a kire wadwen. Na emom there's no way I will be asem a betima kasem bi wo ha. Bo ama betima fa ne say asema Omannhene kan di wanka bi amame
wadidi matamompo
ohini ni sia asem we di Omannhene me mani ajepa waka amame kwabra si asem we di anko ya amame as long as asem no an kan dan no etene e kan dan pe ena manyofo a strategize afa sa de we e de gage empanimfo wo mamu hasamasha pani bi kasape now you're releasing dogs. No ma betra radio so. No ma social media langas. No ma super penny no akana notum. So empenifo bi o memu anko mo betima contribute to the political discourse. They are quiet. Because okay ka ye beto no nye. Obi susu wo hanu ma ono no wonfa ho. Watre and obeka mama ye no 10 times kra obeka
oman eye sene ye amanyosem wo man yimu wo man Ghana no aye tie no meka say the last time Benada no Sajuada no so na ye tifidie mu ane ye kasa ye ka asem a eduru mra bi a na enkoma NDC amanyoko no enkrofo hyase no mo tag e o Facebook na me pepa na me monitor Facebook messages ahodro na eba uti obitumi ka say oman o ye bias wo ka ma MPP esan say wo hu ne say wan ka bi ama no ba se dru ba bi na say wo ka bi ama
Central Market for man no so ba say Omannhene nan say o bo party o bo MPP fo achi dodo
mo
and so obi so te ho no mo say
ya je ya manyosem no akwakodru no
we can't please everybody say it as it is because a koba in the end
ebe ko tia wa
adwuma mu afo ekura bi ne me konra sa me betna na me kasa me MPP na me say so ene so na muza ansa so ne onso ya onso wa amanyoko awu
enza onso kasa me ndis
anti onso kasa me ndis kasa me MPP onso kasa me come
now so me twa samri ti ma mimie mama mtio
yo wa mind de na ye kan na akoso ye kan wo de to so no de Ghana ye kro no se nye ya manyosem a ya ma sebe obi baka se ni die nim se de koda dimpanifo atem a enka de papa bosometwa ye nsu kan ye won kan bone wo ye Ghana ni ba wa hunu E-levy no sebe papa e bi kwa watutu kwan wa hunu de tax so mfa so ye de siesie aman adan ye de bi ba mo de amose mo mpe enu bi ne ye kan ya na na obi firi kono wo be attack me no say His Excellency John Dramani mama won twa E-levy mu ne entwa mu tina da twa won twa mu ni say one NDC for so boy de bo MPP nyina ne so ma bro besia dodo wama bobo besia dodo enti me say ya me metia no me expect say His Excellency John Dramani mama beba obebo besia o enti ade no de bebu o man no enti ka we akwanya ko mo kromanya ye ne de Ghana fo atiase o wo mu tua to a ye nkobo besia bia ne me hyehye e bi gyan mra e ma yen ni akwaji bi se bi ni ahyehyɛ bi gya amra ma ɛmfa nipa wɔ adwumam ɛnyɛ sɛ wɔ adwumam ti wadi nkae ne ayɛ ho no yɛ agye bi di adwuma eti sasɛn John Dramani mama so bi ti baabi no otiti ne to sɛ wɔbɔ betwa E-levy ma nya no korɛ because quantum no ɛwɔ mu no wɔba wɔn ntumi ntwam saada bɔn mo ne Ghana fo bɛkasa ama yɛate ase so oh me nuanom yɛn nyinaa anim ɔhawa abɔ o eti wadi me ana me kan sasɛn John Dramani mama ɔyɛ communication expert obetumi aka ne simple korɛ ama wa saike yɛ ama yɛate ase eti deɛ nka papa ne ka no wɔn fomo ba sɛ deɛ na kwabena ka no baabi a wɔgyina ɛne timing no wɔkɔ synod tu kasa yɛbɛbi sɛ synod no koraa na ɛkasa yɛbɛka
as on a spokesperson
ai enti ɔman going forward no tik me deɛ kame ka deɛ me pɛ ne sɛ panimu bi susu sɛ adeɛ bi bɛboa ɔman no a yɛma ne nka sɛ nya tamdidie wɔntwa mpoa na ɛbɛboa ɔman no a sɛ MPP na ɛwɔ so no ɛkatia no na ɛbɛboa ɔman no a wɔnka sɛ wei na ɛwɔ so no wɔkatia no na deɛ mesrɛ bosometwa yɛ nsu no sɛ sia na wɔtoto aboɔ no sɛ nyame yɛ adom na sɛ obi nso ba na nkɔ yi a yɛ wɔnka na sɛ wɔkɔgyina baabi saa na sɛ ɔso a wɔnyɛ gyepim ne na baako ahange ɛsa deɛ mmoa yɛn
thank you
mede aseɛ nya
sorry no wabiem
adeɛ baako so
ma meni nkɔmmɔ no mɛba wo nkyɛn sɛ wɔma kasa mɛba wo nkyɛn Aku Gan ye Deputy National Communication Officer NDC. Aku Gan, me mo ache.
Me go from ba.
Ade.
Obi a me drive my park say ye nim komo na.
Aku Gan uni ma de. Nya botre ma me. Me o studio. Me producer ama maswan te say
my catcher producer say me dwano.
I facha bright. When I say bright wa unipa.
Me amini pass so ene dem ne ko.
You don't worry. Any facha me.
So say bibia bokọ ye.
Ye ho ye pa. Enra next year toto niema. Fire firm kakra. Ebi mo say asem mo election year delay. Ho asem to say.
Yo me da say na me nchia mo tiefo nyina. Ebi kan asem de ewo mu ene say ye Sankofi Apafulolo bi ena lepe de bi aye from say far for no next eko nhyiamu no ya je to mu say reorganization ye ba be ye wo party ni mu no as say ye consider wo mo as a new constituency na omuye omunyema nyina as a new constituency ye nim say Anka Electoral Commission declare a new constituency. That is where we have to do it. But then in fear, niensa etwemu na sebe ha obia say omu any a member of parliament and I say omu ni obia can be omasem emomo ye as a political party there.
Okay.
Etu ho anamo na ye yes ha ehye no ema wo no. Na branch reorganizations there Senamunim no Asha said that Yabansantimemo all the other 15 regions, you know. Eko ye in Sheye Ebeboa ama ye ye party cards ama ye members. Na Nyame Eya Duma 15th of May and na Sejumedi no replacement of voter ID cards, no party ID cards, no.
Okay.
Ye after na ye ba de die ye nkratem ama wonuma omo pese omo be join party no ebetumi enya ho akwanya na omo so omatro omudin ewo party nkratem na ehihye so a ya ye no so ene se so bi ebe join o party fofra ontumi enya dibie ewo party no.
Okay.
But and also never want to me and contest for any position. Abra we party wababa join party no fofro. Unya sa akwenya no. Neso so obenya akwenya atoaba. Edi yi branch executive ujidi say obetumi aboa ewo mumpete mu
beba cho akogan boa me wa akogan boa me ha enti se mabe join party no a year or two and specifically how many years betuma ma me kwa metumi gina ne ato aba ma me
join your party na a minimum of 4 years. And sign away to me a contest for branch position. As I told you, 9 our party.
So be ban fear me no I want to mean form.
Yes, after 4 years, we make a form.
Okay. To assume
branch position be out of here.
To assume
In the 15th, no, yeah, the year, Nafi, ye be up to the 7th of June. So, Obi a person through the away a class and will be an out. So, yes, dear, we'll call it a couple through the days so na ya trauma. As I said, branches no a meeting. Now also so over meeting no. Now NDC for one pattern who you know a who say wo ababeka NDC amanuku no and yes say the obi kwa send them na or the ababa to abonte so you are showing me when NDC class there be now my meeting we have a right to deny you that your friend is an opportunity we are not so everywhere now we qualify na say we to me a year sa say no na your mouth yeah the other things so and say meetings are our branches you know as I said branches in minutes say on the last 3 minutes friend the meetings you know in minutes in and for do almost ever meetings so we would have the that evidence and sana when you post you better organize it branch no amamo atwaba if you say you need say MPP for no bebre enya in sakraye say omo ba be join NDC next so ebisu so ho a omo de MPP ni de omo tinemu den but on person mu di be fa yen krata mu na sebe omo de say ade e wo ye party mu ntino we are very cautious. In so woman meeting yenya evidence and your constitution so extra say the 2/3 of the constituency branch and as a branch is now constituency muno. So munya akonya eyo branch elections you bet to me akwa 3.1 never say ye hena o branch be mo ye forgery and na say mo ye 419 bi wo ho we have the right to say Momo branch, no, it is on hold. Okay. Your constituency elections every year will come and organize your branch for you. That is why it is decent for Obiase Obeye Nikrata Semina Pepe. Now you free or also so now you are starting your ward meetings, ward elections also in August. Electoral area is considered as a ward. As a ward, okay. As a ward, yes. You know, ward executives so all those ward, you know. Now, because your emphasis and it's taking us 2 months to do this because your business, yes, you're more gain and the firm for so no any branches. So basically, we are spending 2 months because young Kase will be on any branch elections. What we are doing, NSA. Yes, saga process no. Now what PBR no, you be 4 regions, international executive, regional executive, former appointees, no BDR, you go 4 regions. And monitor process no, then a process no, a bear finchim. Ye we are now also move to another 4 regions. Now a share horses was some no aka. 80 by 2 months no. Then we have cleared all the your friend is branches. So we have done a good job. The year and no everywhere say every month there is an activity. After August, September, constituency elections so regional elections October, national elections November. Now you the first chapter. Until by November the next is be also akwakugu.
All right. Now, Mami Musawe, wow, we are Deputy National Communication Officer. Oh, prayer Jabiana.
Obibia or pre-BB. Now, ye branch reorganization. Now, Odibe Tujano. process na ye ba be ye ni be yin free
party na say ye nwie branch ne ward a wo be you ti say wo pe say ye to abama e be you afrim.
Yes, process na ye no, you will not be part of it.
Entra
impenifor say won to me empre usisimu de na o san so empe continue. Say we declare say me person be national chairman and I say me person me call deputy friend say secretary and I say person me contest any position both at regional, constituency or national. Process na ye ba be na ya shena nhye no akoyie no you wouldn't be part of it.
Okay. Agogan medals sorry for the inconvenience.
Ambition bia no maninka utrim.
Medasi. Agogan na yene joche nkomo no. Yene nyame ase. Enkrata no afede ene apie ha. Entempie. At long last, the battle has ended. Yeah, I mean, also uncomodate kakra. But before then, Mr. Wamufa ECG tariffs no to TV no so mam kakra. One more chance say the ECG propose no. Se base PRC force one more peniswa. One ka 50 Ghana no. Is it about 124? One ka 100 no, over 248 cities. Wow, 150. Over 372. Wow, 200 a month. Over 496. 496, not 4.960. 496. 4.96 million. 250 there. And so yes 620 and now to me say me top 300 no
kabeto 7.4
now say ka month no 744 and I'm the control electricity when in there omo de buy but PRC for say e ya adwenkyere omo banyi ku fu ase bi wo say kamam ka bi e ya adwenkyere wo kire wadwene ECG for no ma kire o ma adwen say ndom ko mu benya Ghana water sin ko benya mo 300%. Se see you know, baby akopie mo osre. Baby akopie mo ne say. Omo your stakeholders consultation ni ade. Ade we ECG the 150% abada. E we say mo 20. The last time e mo kese pa 56% on be kaya. And no na be 2016 ho baby na for a period. Na yenye dey yen to electricity mu. And they almost say omo hia siesie dollar no so akosoro say eniema omo koto na manone meters ne transformers ne wires ne ade no omo kra ebo no wosoro etigagana fo hu omo mobo nanka yentumu ma omo 148% ne de omo anim say 100% kra yemfa ma omo but opagya mu saa na sa oti suhwim kra anya hwe kra no obi ba obo now yeah I saying also 200 oh be sort him so what in that camera na be see 100 they be 100 so no person what dey ma wo kejeti adwadi and it is and no na ECG for so afa omo ye ya ma me tie wo ayensu asem no tie wana afa yenkoya nim
akontam de tie wana me ka ne se wade nyina ho kwan na so ya ne mpempinye ni nyina na fata ye omo mpanimfo ne ka kire ye baburunti se beye eto ne dini a akunta papa mu a yekoya asofo ho boni mu a yekoya asofo ho iti ye besere wo mu se ye wade nyina ho kwan nso ya na nye nyina ene fata ye se beye na omani mu nyam ene omumu duro ene nyankopon adom ode adom wo mu no or say touch not my anointed and do my prophets no harm.
Na mu mia no mo no afan so so.
Akweta se no de se no mia na me twetwema de ba. Oh we pass ya mama. Ya pass to me so what? Esewa. Ejakweta ye besre ye papa no masofo no. Se ye kwa wonye mu a wo ho ne ye beba. Ye kwa ayi ye nya papa so a wo ho ne ye ba mo masira yen. Nti se ekoye ne se ase amanyosem na active partisan politics no ya de ehunwura mu pia ya ne hadwen ya ne ewom se edu ba bia na nye amamuo no enkoye se ne yesipe no affect collection affect tight tua affect welfare church members de beba but ne nyina mu no omo asoso na ya neto ne ye den ye ba omo wa omo se yinkran ena mo nyere mo ho Nyankopon se ensuo ne ekodo no bebo afa bia ne ade sasam no omo ka kire no ya na expect so omo soso no omo de be se omo ho den na omo de ya se omo nkran na nkwa se ayi sofo o de obawu a o se won tia se obawu na asore babawu dia o de o chiche ne re se nyame na ye na o usu na asore babawu no no susu bia mo se mon tia se o de fa manyame so ho enti e be sre se ye papa no masofo no ye democracy na konte wom ye wo countries in Africa ye democracy ye history wo ho
yeah me know that you know but yen hwe yesu say the politician is so smart say they have a very nice way of gagging the clergy, gagging ahemfo, gagging certain opinion leaders are omufi say they don't speak for them
akonta anything from opinion leaders no obekaya in 2008 elections ye koya ko gina baabi say na wo say ye frasofo bi emomo kosia forijan ekosia MPP ni NDC leaders no ene omo kasa mo kasa kire omo nkrofo ewo dem say yesrem ye de ade na ba na onkama komanto no yam baabi e beto bia akonta there's no way say yes baabi no onom say wo say bargain ye ton sa ade no for bibia ya sofo ni nyai politics no Ghana ye nya nuru ho ewom South Africa o history say your politics Archbishop Desmond Tutu mo ene ho ahwan mo ekonkoden ye democracy ni ababeduru ha but at this point ye besre asofo ne ahemfo no eto ne ade akontamino mienu di ho dance ye ne ye wodam wodi ho dance ye baby a ahemfo bi bam ema akokɔ no ekukuru kɔse na atofom din eduru baby a ahemfo no bitimi sermon your political leaders ni bi ema mo bɔ mo ahemfie katom se masa Ghana na so semo ete wom sa anko ama jitum woka wo boy ye betu ama kone kwotena se na ono susu medibi ne koka wa asam foforo che amanfo to mu tirimu a o ma ba sanfo no ne akonta asofo no so mbe ye politics ni bia woka asama medemati sese wo mama hu se wo gina we achi na wo be frame akasa chem na wo expect semeti no I won't so hu ntia akonta at no point and I was ye tons ade no for our democracy ya sofo no ntina baabi omote na ya hemfo no so omote baabi omote na Ghana ya dachi nyina ne menka ne say ya de nyina ne wo mo eto ne ade a wo mo ho na yes dabi yes ra wo mo
say kra mo
akonta wo mo nice way to say it ye wo asofo no wo mo nice way to say it.
It's nice way might not deem nice to you when it is not in your favor
akonta it ni onyai
mon kakra now ebegu engu
no mo koso an say yenkura akonta enkokura omunguso an say yenkura omunguso ama motivations no ebe
all right we are to pay Ghanaians must pay latest utility tariff from ECG if not there will be doom so rakuba be sikana am di guso no tazan Ghana 40 million dedo see entia or catch enche bia e be say wradum so
den etimi e do mo no ma yes amanfo position penti me de beche wo metro we yaman uwie ya no aso obodu emu otu bodu afiri woto wono wa he ne bo enti we kra de ye e promo ena omo de ma ye na fe ne e be ko dwade ni
enkane ano de wa na ni abone ko wa na ni abone ko ne sa ne ma no
ti sa ne ye teme ne sai
no
I'm saying
such absence and then you're 10 minutes saying.
Now, what did he be by say? Almost the any doom see.
Nah, and run there, friend, and run there, doom so. Some might be chance, some might be an.
Or maybe I was some train.
You're some
pump when you're tuning.
You see, only nice you see more.
Ebi kwa bem.
I just want to be called bem. You did be so. Yes, bem. You be called musée. Yes, bem. Who musée? Yes, I said it.
I see more form.
Very good. Now, person me tell you.
Okay.
Ebi be to them. Ebi be so to abonten.
Omannhene wo Ghana wo. Eto mere bia ya ye nipa ne yete o mamu no. Yesu ne ban emwa Ghana nkanko. Ghana wo ho etomre bia yesu ne ye ban ye bibia ye politics ye duane a ye ton kra wa bonten no ye politics ye nsu a ye nom ye politics ye bibia ba ye politics eh emfa ho ne de MPP be ye NDC nimpe emfa ho ne de MPP be ye NDC nimpe emfa ho ne de NDC be ye MPP nimpe Omannhene nansa ne me ne man bi fo car na me te car na chi sei e na obetena me nchen mo se Ghana pa de ebi mo pekasa too much Omannhene obekasa Ukraine Russia ntokwa no won na twerɛ mo history ma wo mo papa no wa bru say sram and wa kasa na me papa ade na wo kasa bebre sa wo say hey Ghana for mo pekasa ahokyere aba wo man mu ene yato petro mu ena mo sesei mampani na do dan kwa kufu ado ntokwa si Russia no Ghana for mo nten na wo say papa se jesa wo chere pani anka me no be yire pa wo kan no say dey matema na me say dey bi asema wo ka no wo say driver ni ko hwe ahwehwe ni ma wo hwe wo nyanko be pa wasum ye ba na hu so wo fa ho okoto petro hu say na wo mu na nanim wo te he ka Ukraine yasem e ba da ben ya wo me ye nka no kore Omannhene Ghana ni yetim obi amfiri ba bi meye ni ye ma ye ni o se Omannhene be kasa aboa kumase Omannhene be kasa kan wasem aboa Ghana fo na ye betra ba bi se Omannhene ye MPP ni NDC ni ntie ntie asem o kana Omannhene ya sebo sensem tro ni hu ade na se wo ka na ye se adazo asem wo ka ye no asem no ankwa ama no enti eye problem dia adazo e kasa enye ne de emfa hu ni nyansa asem adazo be ka wontie Omannhene ye problem o Ghana mampani na nado dan kwa kufu ado wo ba no ka brofo mienu bi te Ghana fo eya me de pa ye ma Ghana fo gidie ene awursemu ni nkranse sa brofo mienu no wo se ye meye wo man ba pa ye me fa ye san se da mi fa me kati ani ehwade na nti na obi ka asem afa de asiboyi. What is the meaning of spectator and what is the meaning of citizen? Who is a citizen? Who is a citizen? Bob Omannhene why ni citizen wa Ghana ha Ghana ha no obi nchen Ghana ni bi o editi ye nyina ya sa like ye kokura Ghana card enti bibi nkoso a wasa meka Omannhene tua ye timi tax. I have every right to speak me wa kwai wasa me fa so meka sa eni ma nko Omannhene ade ba ko ya ne sa wo ba adwuma homache wo ba preka ho wo ba fro ka be se 9 wotwe anse wo duru krom bako duru fia nadwo ahomacho be saba boso me besuin maketua ye de beto account mu no ye bete enti me ni kwa se me kasa
o aka so kwabra so be na
me so fo enti mi kura bible enti me kasa nya yi ana
ma me fa we ntu dwa se nipa bebre no se omo pe WhatsApp line na send omo videos mo fa nche ye pa se maye 0548 931 931 0548 931 931 0548 931 931 o pese opusu ahoma no a ye de be di djuma no eye kawasema 0551 931 931 0551 931 931 0551 931 931 and 0548 931 931 it's video no sane me kan no o fa o phone no a me sra o tie me ye wa ho ba bia ye mia volume no o pagya ne sei o betimi de akosi e bia ba bi ti sane ye amoye TikTok ne hwan no na environment no so edu me bia ya ma environment because who them na ade kire ye o na no ba ku bi enya environment baller w I'm not talking about outside obu ano o se singlet nkwa I'm talking about
3.1
silence in court.
Silence.
No, abeya dia obi o hoso so a na ananu say ba ku bi obi twae na ne yire Brazil ne niema nyina asese obi screenshot the beto
ayi say cross bar so no yedum light ye dem a na da ho ani hu bon se bi adro ti so obi oso wa dura ba se na chi obi adro ti sa ka ma me o dwa ne ba da ne me sen se de do light na da adro for me ma de me bo a
Evre ni pa.
Obi kura o me fu de
ba so. Ano kura ka obi na man for so da fun no. Ne ne man say cross bar so.
0548 931 931 and your WhatsApp video 1 minute. Mesrew. Now the aba ye gusu ano Ghana ha ba bia wo wa abrochire kura na wutie ya obetimi asende aba eno de ye encourage ni akopeke ye funtum fras ye kagum na ye de eno ebremo na obia so aye de akire na de ena eye ka kire boache Sompa 93 ka kire o se boache na ye na woda Ohene Babuachi, Kachiri Ohene Babuachi, and then I would that. I found a hopa or a Jumam. I just say, Onona and Pempiana or ye flyers, and my and then I would have so I'm pictures in the doors, and I back up and I'm not to say.
What's that out
to the was the pictures? Ah, Muffa being cow.
You are if a fair colors, and
would you die?
It drew me with the Aswa, Tetinatias, that's why. That's it. Oh, what the FFF? It drew us one way, I say, you know. You.
Yes, that's catching for you.
Mr. Hart.
A special birthday to you on behalf of the entire management and staff of Sompa. We say happy birthday. Catchy.
Ne mame so say happy birthday.
Ne mame oh.
Ne mame kukua. On net ase make what ase but that's what I say. Ne mame kukua say.
Catchy o koye photo shoot ba.
Abuta obono.
Happy birthday.
What's nobody birthday? Catchy say nobody birthday no.
Babra.
Eje me twa
what say you no why basa.
So Omannhene say.
What birthday?
Happy birthday to Hine.
Yes.
And I could see your word, aka Area Kusi Central Market.
Area Kusi, well near Area Kusi.
Oh, okay. Now,
hey, Papa, what's that?
Video.
Why
slide? Why? It's
a say. We buy so I saw near Jumero.
Why just so perfect, my father?
So pass you.
When you hear get ya, this man you hear get ya.
This man here may
get ya
quiet. So now that Kusi Obo do to Hine of there and Kwanta area Kusi. Very good. So pa for some mountain Kwanta.
Area Kusi. They said we Hine o. Hine wo.
Catch is so birthday. Okay. About on swap how meter diasa. That was Kasafide so. Ye ko Wasem. Na ene yes ase free stream mobile money agent storm Jubilee House 2 na the bacho na baby a wo dey ade
na uchemensa bunsun command ni din ofia na friend said the publisher the bokrata no e dia base honorable say chairmansa bunsun na sebe dwani o na sebe gefie ma de se wo swam ya baton pese so a Sompa FMC wo se Sompa FM ni Sompa TV no onim hwe nyane dia nyane dia sa gomo no a woni udi ye no
and a publisher for their
and a publisher for their base
and your family and nyane dia swampa
honorable say chairmansa bunsun akama man say nyina
the reason
say
amount for attaching to no ye because
Omannhene
na na ba trankunya to no Omannhene
yes and then
the moment
Omannhene
enyandia
na adana oba ha yedi nkomo na gire no me share post to be on Facebook na me heda nya botre komu a na omo throw messages ni ba na omo afrase e
obi ko the post
before
Facebook there
me dream the people a Omannhene
wo di Facebook achi a
hwe nipa no betre ha 101 no wa clear air ne say me nim bibia fa Sompa ehun nanso so kwa messages ni bia ebi say wo boa eye wo dia
wa sheba
wo dia o ka say wo dia na ye dai
ade say si wa boboa no wo de Sompa na de so Sompa ye fa be si wa boboa no nya wo dia na ho adia oh it's too much
o me yesa ye better ma free ha o me yesa ye better ma free ha ye better ma free ha
I vehemently disagree with Yabuama on his submission that the clergy should stay out of politics entirely. Abba, don't we also pay tax to government?
Yes.
This is coming from Prophet.
Prophet
and one
Prophet Beru but edu baby a eni die na ye de mamo no aso dem won MPP ti ho NDC ti ho CPP ti ho
wo mo so ka biye
akota
na amanyofo no pese o mo ka o mo senti no o mo kira o ma dwene na se ebe bo o man no kra na anko amanyoko bi a o se ye de oza kwabra se intimi seka sokoti ma be chema dwene
akota ni o mo ka o mo fa Bible quotation to John 3:16 say say no de ne doba kro ma ye no enti any say dancer bet is any
so the quotation ka ho dia
the same Bible so say mo hwehwe o man ni ye yi emu nipa di ya o man so be di ya yes na ka no
akota
e wo ko so e be quote o
da chi asem nti o
quote I quote
akota da chi asem nti o Ghana ye ko jira baby said 2012
Omannhene nipa di ya
akonta ekade 2012 ekade even 2016 yikura no ekade ke jira baby anenye ahemfu bi ene asofo bi na bam
yɛsetete no na ahabonom na ahemfo no na ɔmudi adeɛ na asɔfoɔ no kasa nyame fa wɔn so ɛkasae ɛgye wɔn man no efiri ɔhaw bebree mu ɛnam anyɔfoɔ boapa akyekyere afrɛ David na ɔmde aso asɔfoɔ no ɛgye nkabi ɛna wɔn amia wɔn kɔn ɛti si ahwɛ yie na nkabi politics na ɔmde akyekyere afrɛ David aso asɔfoɔ no a
akonta nyankopɔn soma Moses sɛ ɔnkɔ ayi Misrim na ɔnkɔ kankyerɛ Misrim fo sɛ onyai ne ma no wɔn nkɔ ɛde asɛm na to Moses ɔfa na hogoro so
ɛwɔ ho
Moses fa na hogoro so
na sɛ ɔpɛsɛ ɔfa na hogoro so dia yawe ɔpɛsɛ ɔfa na hogoro so dia ɔbɛka no atom I can tell you that there are a lot of clergy a lot of ahemfo a ɔmaka ɔma no to mu a ensema omo ka no omo dem ene omo hia ya omo ka kire yen ka se nana na won ka o se bo
mene hwan
enkra man be di matam
akonta eye utom be di watam akonta se yenya difo no omo nka se ne difo bi koka nsem bi kire ahemfo bi wo Bible mu ye di wo matam ye ku bi ene ade no ene Methodist asoro na hunhia so omo de krata we ba no so omo jai magana fo ye di bosomtwe ayensu ene Methodist atam no ni sakrata we fa so bi ani so
Sesane
eka no ase tete ho na D4 ho D4 ekoka nsem bi Nyankopon efo so eka nsem bi kire ahemfo bi samre ona na hwe ewiase so ne ade ya atake wo mo se saade no eya adwuma tete ho no de akonta ne Methodist asafo na ye
ba won me be ya ni so D4 Nathan woko David nchen wodi nyansa kasa
yes
o catch David say wo hini bi
iti afi wa konta de me ya
be ba wo hini bi there be who there also omo say omo mamu kra
mo mam because e to ne din say a
akota papa bo ne ye kwa sofo no o say o sikani bi wo ho o woni ma nyina bi ba ko so ni dwan ba ko pe sikani ni nya ho a na ni 2 minutes wa ma o makoje de ni dwan ba ko pe no ekunu de aye aduane adi asa adwetwe no ho omoto party a omobonyom superu ena ho no mana David Koko body backroad din sesia na meme akofa na ba o se wuo ena Nathan se ye wa Nathan di nyansa kasa so ko eno kasa wo hin David wona wa kokko obi say anka bia David bekunu
nti akonta won se won me ya adwene se asofo
no kasa
won fa nice way to say it
I agree with you sir obetimi de
won fa nice way David asori na ma address asori no na ma address
kata wa kasa say because Moses spoke against the situation in Egypt Pharaoh catch them at the point to say ohuna nim bie wo bekunu
yes
Moses koya or the plagues near day Moses' life was at it was at the peril of his life
yes
yo nyame asofo bi mu a omu gina kejeti di ahemfo ne nya no ne eka we are talking about people of repute omu carry weight asamba was so omu ka I'm telling you
Bible quotation fa ho
Bible quotation bi anta ho
Bible quotation
ye bedi o matamu ama bedi e bedu bosomcha ye nsu akota so ye bosomcha ye nsu anke mfi no ba Methodist amana address entina oka asemu a ebia metie se ya de to nche se wo ye bosomcha ye nsu do ha e ka me de ne ye dey but Methodist asori no amana address it was kasa emodu enti na yakacha ne say wonyai politics no momo anya sa
na oya politics na o kire na
akonta adwenkyire say E-levy asem o kan ye say o mewi ni kura na mpeso aba be ye fi hono akonta
edano de ye ya fa kura wasan say
yes bear in mind to say papa no o kan
because
odom wo nipa at least day on beba be you ano so jakote say omo
nsemo ni ba e
de na ni da so
Oh my way, Nikra.
Yes, a 2 year diom 1 year ko. Akuta me say.
What about
in 2012? O said there. Make us me the Bible quotations and the Bible stories and the Bible quotations. But who say you to say anopeda obo Papa Mensa Utabel a voice this is here. First nice you of us no. Say the question wa batwo ekwe automatic say me dey me say me MPP ninti no enya kra me to am MPP me say me NDC ninti no enya kra me to am NDC but mo batwo no enko hwe say wo se oba obeye sei na me hwe ma setenam na sa de na wo se wo ka no wo kire kon obefa so aye no a ebeboa me a my vote is for him. Dan say Dr. Mensa Utabel say ya asofo ni that for no mo
22-year-old girl. And you are moving courageously in your beliefs and your values. What do you value? What is important to you? What do you believe? What are things that you wouldn't compromise in life? Look at all of that. Do you value honesty? Do you value truth? Do you value integrity? Do you think purity is important? Who and what ideas represent your values? And number 3, vote for the best interest of your nation. Remember, your vote doesn't just affect you, but it will shape the destiny of your nation. Look at your nation, where it is and where it wants to be. Which of the proposals will help us get to a better place? Which of them? Think of other citizens of Ghana. Do you think their life will be good for them if this particular idea succeeds? Will it help the generality of the people? Will it serve everybody's best interest? Or you are voting because you think when your party wins, you would get something because somebody has promised you something. That is selfishness. And that is an insult to yourself, to your sacred votum. But look at the nation. Where are we? Where do we want to go? And make a wise choice. The advice I want to give you is prayerfully consider this, not only at one time, but every election time. Your vote should not be fixed. Your vote is always an expression of a proposal that is in agreement with you. So you may support a party 1 year and not support them another year. You may support a candidate 1 year and not support him or her another year, because the proposal they put on the table this time is not in your best interest. If every Ghanaian thinks like that, our politicians will stop distributing T-shirts and making songs and giving money and playing games with our minds. They would know they have a people who respect their vote. That is a sacred responsibility, and anytime they go to that ballot box, they are there to think of their hopes and aspirations and the aspirations of the nation, and they want a better life for themselves. I pray God helps you, God guides you, and God leads you in this process.
Okay, welcome back. Samre, Dr. Mensa Utabel, small Kenya, I was away Ghana near. Oko to aba mani se otim se aba mi koto yi ebetima asesa o man no asesa obi shebre na nipa kro no niam a ode atudwa so no ebeboa Ghana mpuntuo e mane nkoe te se medium party ani ade we me kan brebi na nipa bebre ni me ya adwene se Ashanti region voter region ye be ko kawasemi voter region for be fresh susa akwan Ashanti region for be fresh to sa akwan. Monsha sa 2 enclaves ya omoto abama NDC ni MPP pa. Yasen akra na yeye bia hwe. They were one of the poorest areas eba akwanye ni ade na omo sofa pa. Wasem region western of Clergy yenka. Emra esrem omo sa asese a omo so sa aba na omo chema MPP ni NDC. Onzo manya interchange. What say akwan watermelon no sisa. Ashanti region. Greater Accra kunta. Estati say, woman kasa say, hey man, you say be say immediately. Greater Accra, a developer because 4 years be almost so.
The best show when this is here.
Central region, ehunu sa de no almost start here no.
Central region for
ehunu ayi. So we are no one careful. Now you are just say origin no. Yeah, you try your fruit.
MPP for.
Yeah, MPP for. Yeah, voter region. Corner question deplorable. There is no one factory in voter region. Maintaining Baba on your free and so every blessed day on the over 20s. Ashanti region. Baby, just say as a moon free as a Nigana ham. And so on the air about Tom MPP. We are making MPP to your mind over so voter region. The both compim so who are about to you know. Put your man because politicians they've taken us for granted. MPP bet me a kohun nipa be 300 pe. Omonoma. Na delegates at Obama no. No a winning. Correct. 3 times no koye no. The first time onya 55,000, they say onya 32,000. Omo ti krom ho hu ne so mfa so. Yet party for delegates wa ko yina ko jira ho.
Eno ne asen no.
Akoso sama ne me ne o kasai.
Asen no fam.
Enkro bebre o ho no mo a they are deplorable. And you man koye. But MP no so trasum pen 9. Ade pa bi amfiri ho ma. Ko voter region e ko hwe. Yan to aba ma omo nto 70% crowd MPP na che omo bomb nsem ye chair ni otimu kakra yi e na omanya ba bi agina ba hade Ashanti region 1.789 ya kwan ni ne megu ha na omo wo Ashanti region omo executives na anko omo ko pre omo ti no omo the Ashanti region e ko ye bargain e ko pay position eso omo nyi Ashanti omo di edino okwa o say ya na eto aba say bi for Ashanti region it's an allowed remember the post your deputy ministers oyi 21 na mu 10 for Ashanti region
omba no mada
deputy ministers say you omo no emu 21 no emu 10 for Ashanti region because of numbers and then you free omo CEOs you remember omo position and then you free omo but here back dom akotoaba Ashanti region struggle and who twins sano there are so many uko wiasima party bia on the stronghold e wo ho no kre but say yan statia science ama MPC binum ne ade bia hunu say you cannot take us for granted we are not election machines you will continue to cry ube suwa kwan esu nsuo esu empuntuo emma because him say obeto abama no oya den abeto ebebi no omo nkanse hunu say o de aponchi kra MPP ayi bo aponchi kom kra ebeto ama no yanka o de odwan kogina NDC hohoi enya na hohoi for sesan no hohoi for to abama MPP esan say kobusa hohoi township ne kobusa say hohoi for ni akwan a o ma kwan fe ye ma omo sisa omo nsa no omo di ye Ashanti region ha senka position bi bama yasesa na MP stronghold of MPP asesa na kodi NDC ho ba kopa the next time when they come they will sit up akoso sana profosu NDC win bantuma
anase nhia so anase
kwada su bia enka omo yambese se omo pa yes now the second largest numbers are NDC nya even now but Ashanti region the number 1
to me 600
vote ne oti your team no say Ashanti region na be number 1 stronghold of NDC
yes
NDC
nya 600
but the last election they had 659
omenya
uka oti any voter boma na etwam voter nko anya 659
yes
oti anya 659 Ashanti region ma NDC the highest votes
MPP ni NDC nyina dey Ashanti region
we greater Accra Freema we greater Accra Freema Ashanti region is the second highest votes are NDC nya are you getting me so a higher strategic you cannot play with this region it's a party whether you're opposition or in power you got to be careful
NDC nya 600,000 votes be our Ashanti region
election now that's election they had 610 610 they won
near ha adwen say NPP konya massive vote wosrem enya bi ewo western
that is why when they had 659 they thought they have won the election
NDC declare say omu wini.
I'm telling you, said this time elections is
because of Northeast
MPP
Savannah region.
Yeah. Say NDC winning Bruno East.
Yes.
But they won Bruno and a half.
Yes.
It's a few you know. Ashanti region etwaba boom. Nenso so vote NDC nya no. Say same anko ama MPP and komulusu elections no.
Nay.
So what are you talking about?
600,000 votes to Ashanti region bia omo pa ban me and can be omo winning elections.
This time they had 659 yet they lost.
No, because of thanks to Islam any central any western north.
Yes.
Any western regions no vote if you want to mobile
now. It tells you say Ashanti region bu fuba.
Yeah.
It tells you say omubu fuba.
Akwanta ne 137 abane hu tuba o. Akwanta mekaya na wontima say me see abano 137 e kire say ye hunu tuba ye beto ama president ye ntoma MP no ye was central region constituencies a Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo winning but the MP Lusui in the case of Asen North
Nanado won 19 constituencies
in central region.
No, in the whole. Yes. 19 constituencies are almost scattered house.
Yeah. Oh my, what you say, Mampanino and Cassana, I didn't buy no. Addition managing home. Now so soon that you half one. Well, my Robertana, when you're Greek, no.
Asen North, anyone, President we need, but the candidate.
Also, Mammy, Northern region, not East Savannah. Yako, Wasem, Ejadem. Hey!
Parchasem, Kawasem, Binu Nimi Parchasem, Kawasem, what you want for me, Puate, Kawasem, Central announcer, Kawasem.
It was 3 months time why you be a humanatum. Ye Kaya Semanano pay. Number 0551931931 0551931931 my NT 0548931931 WhatsApp video 0548931931 Ye Kaya Sem Northern region Northeast Savannah, Upper East, Upper West. 5 regions no na efre me pa chow. Enya me fra Ashanti region na me ko here ade wo Northern region. Ana me ko ayi ye kan say me ko me was ko Salome Debbie. Ye pesa de ne kra. Ma Islam form frame
and our friend now Saudi so you
yes
because you move voice
Kawasem we know the Kawasem
good morning Akunta
me ba cho hwan die
me pa so me de be am se membo
free
tamale
my inti on pay
Akunta de be am bremu ka so ka fere ya on fre si ya me nya wo number ya be na me am fre
about 10 after me.
About 10 I'm sure. But so we pack
voice no yes.
They are Kabasa stop after me.
Oh yeah. But you me friend now I'm for. Me friend.
I'm from
FM Rocky Crown I did number ne mama. Rocky I did number mama. Oh. Maybe I would just 1 minute.
Okay.
I'm a kaipa say me frey. Me na me frey. And number no me frey.
I can tell you about Kunu. Also maybe no fide ya so education minister be ka send. That is what can control.
Oma release sika ma buffer stock for no.
You. But they are only PR on the kasa no.
Also mo pesika.
Na some no can put them to me. Engine so be any but minister na some patches to try and from but you said the American after from 10 going not from
from me I just saw number and started with 020 me boy
me but that be there is 0240
and I'm wrong number
but me way WhatsApp line no
I want your WhatsApp line too we are not friend why
me yan so number me yan na no be kata
be da CP nya me shraw so ne how no hello good morning.
Good morning.
Me say northern regions all the 5 northern regions timun sise so hello good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho hwan ye
Cosmos ni
Cosmos free hey
the Kajafi Upper West Nandom
my intel from Nandom
yeah na pastor na okoka na any for almost say omunya na enwini ho
your pastor na can and one or I didn't go here. Okay, and one no. You know, you matter this for
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir. Why nie? Be could be free. Yamen Kaho, Wasani Slim, Yenisim for Casano pay northern, all the 5 northern regions. Hello, good morning. 0551931931. Hello, good morning. Opening patch on my TV, no call for Mammy Power. I'm in Tonka. That's it. Why nie?
But your name is Steven.
Steven Casafri.
Casafri Boku East.
My Indian pay from Boku East.
Now, as far as the can Boku West are 7 Americans. And the Sian and Bejon, free, the Sian and Bejon, and I mean, Mokase, MPP for no. Sometimes I'm a man for pay. Party, no, and the TV for no, and then you know. We came to the happy our Boku West. Boku West, you know. I will lose you almost to know, entering the mass as a nearby. Because almost Gianna Chia, or Tibuini, you know, or Bayano, or Sakumina, anti Emma, this election I came to Tiano. I will go to Skate and Blast. I'm not going to Empino, I'm going to Mananabo, and I'm going to see NBC. And it's actually and one party. The city for I didn't want the party the party no. Now I'm not going for the other transaction. Only a program on to me she yeah. I was say I was no one yet. And to say no, the year and the was why you saw and met his and said me some Boku West no. The same thing problem so
Thank you very much. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Achawana Omannhene Kasai.
Hello, but your friend James.
And it's free.
Boku.
Ain't you no pay?
The crowd no I can say if I tell you now Moka about one once I will say I was say you share yeah as a criminal to about it. And say doctor and I'm Mokan. In fact, Toba Buku Harma Iwaya. Especially a public school, you know. The Uku school them are apparatus from the team the estimate here and our more exo. Now who and Parapa obey the future leaders. Now say almost uniform. Miss Remo Pa Omannhene. Mumra apa ita na mumma ya sa de na mumma ko school no na mo he send me school kwara isi huna mane the free KG ekopem JHS kwara in fact
Thank you very much, Boko. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Beba Chawanye.
Bacho Makafu new.
Makafu free.
Bacho me free of East region.
Ain't you no pay Makafu?
Good morning na me free of East region, precisely Kuluguna.
Go ahead, my brother.
Bacho me a teacher.
Huh?
Na with the school no over Kuluguna ha. In fact, uba no bin ya schools ni na almost classroom but near den wa papa. Students no money akunya mutina form. I'm Bacho be fair. Enye papa. And I'm over so with the election no. Na fair na MP just of the state classroom but am a community no. Na community no man am getting say so ni na so the nice community wa. Am be boni fu. And to want men to community this o ma CS no. It's na na name. Enye no kwa another place that is now for another place or another community so am getting say so ni na so the nice wa. Am be boni fu njo ni so wan see what that.
All right. Makafu.
Yes.
I want you to do me this favor, eh?
Okay.
Miss Sompa, get your camera on the phone and give me screenshots or videos of these schools. Why?
Okay.
Write the number 0548.
I'm coming, please. Let me take a pen.
Yeah, I have time for you. I will see a man who near Koso. Okay, you are just giving a pictorial, but when they see it audiovisual and vivid, they will understand where we are going and where we stand now.
Okay, what's your number?
0548
0548
931
931
931.
931.
Send as many. A BRB 1 minute or 2 minutes. Cry. And Colano classroom or motor form ho or more food show. Any adini any school blocks ni no. Now
very good.
Just target for me say bia Nyamampurugu JHS. One primary. Do it for me. Why? Me Tasipa. Get his number, please. Quickly write his number down. Stay on for me. It's very important. At the end of the day, if we are able to get this thing out, first stay on and let's get your number so that we can get in touch. Why? Okay, just hold on for me for a minute. Yayanti say Mr. Kwabena Bankwaye Boa, MPP National Treasurer, and Neko Fodia Nobe declare an intention to contest as MPP chairman. National Abankwa. And then Obeda in program ready. Okay, we got a number. Thank you very much, my brother. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omannhene.
Pacho Wendy.
Smala manu no tamale.
Smala tamale mi enti wa no pay.
Omannhene Pacho do person e man ni say scholarship administrator no bobo dia na pen na hu ye hafa because yene ma wo fa no. Last year scholarship, you know, the me better say qualify, and so the whole of last year, we qualified now. Almost you know, school is no school to no more. Next July,
about your tertiary now.
Tertiary,
okay, scholarship secretariat, right? About your mate, any administrator and PR on the Bechin Comona, Yabusano say, Arias na woman added students ni complain pa. Because Sikano be almost a year in court.
July almost a year a quarter review.
Well, more quite my arms are the Biaka Kaho. Okay, now Adia Bakusuni, Nana Adudanko Kufado, and Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Adia Bako Pa, man, nurses, any teachers, a triam, a tuaba boom, a yalawa. It's been 9 months. 9 months. Muntia or Musikama.
And right, I interview no how much it's mukra. If you have no second term, yes.
Oh, it's a basa. When you make good of your promise, it makes you solid and strong.
Yes,
hello, good morning.
Good morning. Pacho, I'm Pacho, I program am bese baso. But I better me catch Ghana for you and say. Sometimes you kasa. You can't some tie in. And then some young chiasi. If you boost the money up explanation, not be a can be cast much you boost the money you should move. You must ask him to say that here. Then you obi just walk from them one or some of the Namu Kasa, my area, so when you have more castle, how can you ask more the kind of so fast more the kind? You should be a woman. It's my own saying a pioneer also so bad. Or also so a vegetable, and I bought my hobra. What was the E-levy? But one of them I didn't catch here, who found taking important decisions. I think important decisions there. And we will taking important decisions. What in E-levy never won. I'm going to come on saying, I was not now come over to me and yeah. Yeah, because 2008, I'm not to come and they don't mind so what I went to me and I'm watching. I'm saying, I'm come.
Hello, good morning. Morning.
Hello.
Mebacho, my TV non call from Pa Metal and Kaye. Why?
Hello, Pacho. Good morning.
Morning, why you?
Pacho, family is not a very tripone. No,
Alice from Chiriponi, my Intiano pay.
Pacho, my Yokusua. It's radio or Yokusua. And Kadane to form uniform B, among Kadamo. I feel Kadano Mula will be different from a Yamuka property. Yakai is a monte, Yakaki or monte, and one say a radio side, you run a tiny at the
What's that the idea?
Miss Electoral subject and a Martin sign, and so Monte, or Monte.
To almost your news,
I'm not some feminine,
it's almost a controversy, and also so.
Mente. Me can use me too. Almost on it.
Eti odia na ode kire what the language by which lingua franca do you use?
Me didn't meeting na me de kire. Na ma translate about two so months.
Oh, lower primary and upper primary.
Me were lower class.
Ah. Eje si ano enti mi busao beba. Eya wo ye lesson notes.
There be a printe. You print in the cafe.
Nti mo printi wie na mo de ba enkwala ne se omuti wo hwemo animu a.
Say or to what want to stand up kula not to ho.
Stand up, sit down. Do you understand? Point.
Want it.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Omannhene.
Yeah, so for my
lower primary local no
Debbie. Maybe there. Me who say director of education now.
Adewe uni. Kwabra enya no. Week. Ya can't say wait for years.
Poku mensa kra ebe kasa fa.
For years so. Kwabra. Miss Unima there. A baby, I don't know, sir. It was a political whatever. Almost swa. A southern sector. Up to Omannhene Kogu Slim. And Omo Slim no. Ever go southern sector. Say Omo Mama Yewa. Omo Kogu or Miss Omo take Wasem for years. I'm telling you. Omo Fra teachers no. They are so frustrated. Oh, would you tell Kalano? She said. Array on Tetrocosi. Okojara or Cabro for Monte. It's a GS in penny for. You're a professor, a friend say. Kwasi Opoku into Onte. And somewhere a county. What is the meaning of this?
Was it your no car? Na school ni ba kwa na ni amaso no wa translate wo mka se ni ma kire nkwala
school ni no na eche nkwala na
astu se asem na wo ka kire wo
school ni ko ti ase a
afa wo be wi school na ga na wa twe na twe pane no de be su kwa wa be kun ade e kire nyina wanti ase
mami kwa homa hello good morning
Omannhene
Omannhene
but your friend Isaac
if you go ever from Katira o pacho mami tiwa Bani mitio.
Opening pacho, me person busa say. Enti leadership ya wo oman no. Omo dwene oman Ghana for ho. Openi oba ba bia me wa ya. Ensu anipa nom eno na emmoa enso nom e wo ha no.
Oka say free papoti.
Me ka say free kumbugu.
Okay.
Yes. Openi he se uba ha ye nsu asede na meka nsu aye nom eno na ye ne mmoa nom ye wo MPs wo DCs wo hanom omo reflect the interests of the people here. What they do is serving their party. That is one problem. Another problem I wo so mine the constitution of Ghana. Say o mine ye enforce yes o me mampeni ye enforce yes o me MP. I didn't really question the constitution from Article 71 holders. It's Omannhene. Obet Makatem will be an MP, said the media will be a doctor. We yanko pro example woman. Why are we doing this to ourselves? The politicians only think about their stomach, not the ordinary Ghanaian. Thank you.
Thank you, my brother. Every northern region, you're picking up from the northern region. We are coming to central, western, north. Hello, good morning from northern regions.
Hello, good morning.
This
is Chairman Audu in Boku.
Chairman Audu from Boku, my
Yes, from Boku, yeah. I want to talk about the E-levy.
Go ahead, Chairman Audu.
Mama says he will review it, isn't it?
That's right.
Is it not in
He says he will repeal.
Repeal, okay.
Which means outright ban.
Back. So I would like to know, is it not in their manifesto, page 8 of their manifesto? The E-levy is in their manifesto. So it's because the MPP is bringing now this government is bringing the E-levy. That's why they want to be first to bring the E-levy. You see?
Say page 8 of NDC's manifesto, there's E-levy.
Yes. When you look at page 8. And then secondly, was he not the one who said he's not a magician to create jobs? And what is he coming back to do? Secondly, he also said it's because of us using too many mobile phones. That's why it's causing the result. All these things are the speeches of the former president. So why is he trying to come back? He is now trying to be a magician to come back and magic, isn't it? Thank you.
Thank you very much. We will go to Western Central, Western North. Yabia Homanatum 0551931931 0548931931. Now, as we are Papaya can audio, page 8 of NDC manifesto. The People's Manifesto. It is here. On page 8. Yanko near some passe or more de Jose electronic levy or mobajia. Na Papa Nabeka or mobile page. And you're not just saying, can you end this for to call Muquin or imagine as a sign after election and answer day. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Uncle Mine.
Beba Chong when ye.
Make us see baby.
Baby any. My intel mini by a frau say.
But just from Messia. Uncle Mine, me patrol. I am bound to make good yellow. You need credit. Yes, you can fix deposit. Don't see my. I see this from patrol. The wood in my mind.
Mate. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Beba Chong when ye.
Oh, because I see no. Now, teachers for mine, and now go, my bro. Oh, we say, what trap do you said there? I'm on a parent charge. It no fair, no one, no class on a ox.
Okay, Central, Western North. My intimo Anope. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Beba Chong, I'm in you.
Yo, my name is Martin. My family.
Yeah, that's it.
My friend was Obana, Bocata of Mamino, Until Papa, right? A simple 100 for Canada. They make a well since Jamaica. I have one my air repreno. Mr. Masimbo, Oka. Now, the winner, Dimitri for Mr. Mother.
Beba John say, Sunny, why no general? Ebia oka something specific na bia ye hu say bia oh ebia ye cry any fa so ebi so ano wo nkyeremu nti we are the general sir
and some say ya bo ma no o prepare no nti eche no o
no dia go na no ni di o ba jo tie me na nya say bia aka asem bi na o prepare no na eye say all kasana no eye you know na ya bo ama say yeah etina nya say bia o ka asem bi e na bo ama say mon ka why I made that say. Hello, good morning.
But there's nothing like E-levy on the manifesto.
Hello.
There's nothing like E-levy. It's something like that. That is to make sure that all the Momo agents charge equally.
Hello.
It's actually that is not the case. Hello.
Nyabo trena fe no aba homa no so why? Mami ntio.
Yes, what I'm saying is that there's nothing like E-levy on NDC manifesto. To be specific, because if you check the manifesto, they have something like that, which is to make sure that all the networks who are using Momo to check equally. But there's nothing like E-levy or whatsoever. Anybody who says there is E-levy on NDC manifesto, the person is telling lie.
All right, hold on for me and let me see page 99. He talks, it's page 99, but I don't know whether it's E-levy. Listen to what is there.
Uniform fee policy to guide the electronic payment industry. Indeed, that is how
so I don't see anything E-levy there.
So the next NDC government will promote digital finance to drive financial inclusion and financial development. B, work with the various stakeholders in the financial and technology sector to collaborate and design a resilient financial system through their partnership.
Read the A.
C.
Read the A.
C, no man underline say it is like E-levy.
Okay.
C, no more say introduce a uniform transaction fee policy to guide the electronic payment industry.
That's not the E-levy. My brother, just read, go to page 99.
Yeah, page 99.
That means that they want to make sure that they tax this one, but not to introduce it. That statement is well spelled out. There's nothing like E-levy.
The word is not E-levy. It says establish. Read it again.
Or say introduce a uniform transaction fee policy.
Okay. Hello. Take your time. Take your time and let's hear you well. It says it is going to introduce
a uniform transaction fee policy to guide the transaction payment industry.
All right. So the word is not E-levy. So if you want to construe it to be E-levy, that is your understanding. But NDC does not have E-levy in their manifesto. It is said in that. All right. Hello. Good morning.
Hello. Hello, Mpacho. E-levy na semino also for no Christmas. Free education, ye deba. Domama ekasekia ya abekile. But once you see free education, one northern region, you have two presidents from free education in the northern vice president.
Hello, my dear. Hello, Mibacho. Tobo na wasem no, it's not coming forth well. Tobo na ka wasem no. Meet you.
Mibacho. Sir, E-levy ya Jomama so bobi kwem. And you want to so become. It is a phoneka, Omannhene. I don't have a tear of what Ghana, a pian, and this is what. You are in the same. President Kufuoti, health insurance, on the way. Only the vision for focus. So you could tell full. Everybody, of course, and you should tell my union. John Evans Atanes, regime. And we will be 2 of the war. A Senate, BDR. You wouldn't go here. Just don't mamma buy him. You must have one silly idea about what it petrol or the A. When you Nanaku for the battle, sitting at the petrol scan, you will be able school free. And then you do petrol scan. Free education. Just education, no, no, your mamma. Well, no, 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 for your education.
Sompa 93.1.
So, any best. And in the Mabia, yeah, that and the Ghana says, so one cuts away.
Thank you very much. Hello, good morning from Central Western Western North. China, Okasa free.
Thank
you.
And you know, Omannhene say that whatever one MTN pay transactional. And those are where putting together free. Send your own tea, my MTN, and I'll tell them the kids there a very uniform transaction. The whatever MTN, MTN, E-levy and me, and you are actually okay. You are more children than I know. Say, you don't know the kids will be able to pay. After something else, no can. So no, I would say you live in the person of the year. But never know. And no one in the voice never does that and this was then is wherever.
Oh, and this is for happy birthday to Nana Benjamin Abuaji Nyame, new Swami Sunday special chairman and a strong Arsenal fan. Nana Benjamin Abuaji Nyame, yes.
Papa bi o phrases ya na o ka say ye tutu sika no or there be ya mfa nya hwejo mama breso ye kind of cra mummy and kai says John Dramani mama say ka say for structure pa dia woyɛ bi ne wiase yɛse woyɛ ne wanyɛ ne yi a woyɛ ne wanwie a ne yɛfrɛ no ayɛ biaguo nti sɛ yɛ ayɛ de politics kasa a deɛ wo nnua bi ayɛ no ka next time wo so obi ka bi tia wo saa ɛnyɛ ɔde when the back says Excellency John Dramani Mama infrastructure wise oh my Ghana
thank you very much. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omannhene.
About your Omannhene.
I have Nana Yo. No, I cannot afford you about Mr. Central Region.
90 how can I free him?
Because every I cannot afford you.
Therefore, Adama, fetch me. I had it. Yeah, was Central Region, Western North. Woman, you know, would you do as antimantem ha? So, free Chumako for the Adarama, Nessa Obeka Central for Ashama, many problem. But see, idea, Yawaha. Now I'm in far into Ja. So far, it was your con North, you was Central. Ubian or by was Ochiani chairman. Ubian or by was Ochiani MP. Ubian or Chiaso or Casafri constituency way. More Sadi and Munyai. Nyon kwana uni munchia oba kana sem to ba na ochia ochia wie ya no madawase and I incoming why na incoming unkwana ni incoming. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
How are you?
So from Augustina, make a selfie WhatsApp body.
WhatsApp body, miente Augustina.
Mpacho quite free WhatsApp body ko asenku. Asabia for the to more than 6 months.
Hey, Asabia.
Oma is your money, Amako. Omotin send an Abesia Northeast, no bejiso. Up to now, a corner that would have money and shame.
Mate, good morning, Omannhene. I am a retired military man since 2018. And up to date, our ex-clean sweep has not been paid. Please talk some for us. A retired military man in Fear 9. The ex-clean sweep. So almost the man. I'm saying, almost Senate 2018 to 2022. Muntiama Omo ex-military man. No, I'm come on. Yo, Mother. Number one. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Omannhene.
Ata mikasa free wa.
Ata free wa. Eh, ata. Enya special dispensation. What dey kasa?
3.1.
There be say you free ho. Ata we ka school nu asem ana.
Me pa che there me ka school nu asem. Me pa che E-levy na aba na am for complain na person me ka bi. I'm
not being fair. And what kasa.
And no, I'm saying, Nipan for about the year for one thing, problem can say. Problem can say. She said, the ever gone into Moon. Come on, your mamma was so nothing of what you were Ghana. I can look to what to say along what you were Ghana. Not what you who be that. It's any part of about being here for a while to someone any customer complaining. Or no, also be to about betting. That's it.
Yo, Ata. We send people phone big drapper. Special protocol. Central Western off. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Me bacho Omannhene.
Me bacho you getting here that because every saying when she.
I ain't you no pay.
Good morning, Omannhene.
Morning.
Good morning, Omannhene. You getting here that.
Me bacho mentie TV no kasa meti why.
Oba Omannhene egusu. Omannhene dey me pesa me ka ina ni se. But any area also be quiet. Who free so you be quiet. Call asom.
Okay, sorry. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Bacho Omannhene.
Me bacho FM nana.
Meet you nana.
Hello, me bacho Omannhene. I did have me.
Sompa 3.1.
Nana etio.
Me bacho na Omannhene. The issue is this fire service and national service for NAPCO. Ana sa YEE and this service Napofui. Over 7 months, even less than nursing training for you. Over 7 months, 9 months, you just calculate the average ages of these people. Is it from the because you cannot even cater for them from the scratch. Almost at the age of 20,000, 32 licenses, one from this stage, what are you expecting from them? That's it.
Mr. Darcy, hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Morning, Omannhene.
But I know my TV no call from power volume no why. Why am I can say?
But your family making some fair confused.
Confused to amampa. Mammy Tiwa no pay.
You are my uncle Ponchop or Jumapa would you bo Mandana. Nah, maybe say a confit a coof juice no Omannhene and Casasi said you make it factory aba a confirmer easier ordinary some no. A bit how many products now all the aquabontina is all the benefits at the bra Omagana because many who said you for supply in your factory Omannhene de be the ordinary can say or the factory aba in your confirmer into young to human from Manano. Now, this may be said you electricity for easier and was sorry. What is here and the about to unity ties in He says, I want you to be by a gun of your command dance and the day was then really fair to me. And so, someone who gun of whom about said you actually fame. And so, one thing I'm about to be infant gunner for them, no by ya. Gunner for your own back. Into this year, actually fame. Also, one day, I hear electricity. I'm a Baba Cam. Oh, but Fanzo. We, your mamma can say, I'm with your man into so bad, obey E-levy a soma. Now, you to us on Chassis, said you, your mamma Casa. Saba on Casa said you also better be safe from Angasa so much now because yes, I'm to cut your car on the Misuma, month we get material. Yeah, Shenik of Papa. So, Omannhene Casa,
opening Mammy Musasem, a comfy juice, no. A chromo munya be no mana.
Baby, ebe kunfin unye bia kunpon to baby ala omoboa mankesi no mpo ye mankesi
me ba cho ka so omoboa factory na ni ho
mpo say
factory na wo ho e ya adwuma na emom production na wo form ana
factory no ho mo na emom production ni abonten
ebusa se enemo na se ekumfi enkran ne factory ai restaurants bebre even Kumasi akra no ebi ma je a omoton bi okwa ho enti uka say production ni abontena menti ase
ehun say me the bibi example say rush energy drinking and I some drinks beer and ebu organa ma baby aboko bi ebi
I get you now say production no form I agree with you on that score. Thank you very much. Hello, good morning. Omannhene. Kojobo ama una uchatro Bono ahafo Bono East. Konya crowd kojo kasa.
Pato GN Bank Sikano. Kambia wo be we do we to dia ni scammer. We to dia ni scammer. It is gonna look long time. I want to your prayer and Papa Nipano, not was Ugusu, Obey do also to the other German.
Sompa
all right. Yanko Bono Ahafo, Bono East. Still, I show my name. Every more the videos about WhatsApp video. 0548 931 931. 0548 931. Tiwan to me a ma homano swa. Now so the video. Aba na answer the be konvenyanti say wo videos be edu. Yentie wo mo. Wo mo a wo mo so the wo videos aba. Yentie.
Good morning. Me did the Kebedu. My wife here at Mojosu Government Hospital. That was January market yama. according to wife, which is who facilitates market trial. It will try to find out from the HR.
Family who be that.
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omannhene.
Omannhene.
Let's see, they make us free in Soko, kind district.
My NTO from Soko.
Yo, Omannhene. That's the breed. This is our platform with the Nanda Roma Sompa, 3 years by interest. So,
3.1.
Now, Maximum say, your mampa in another Danko Kufuado, or see a dear. Kind district, Obabawa, the year compare now. Sansa ya kwine pa ya kwine from Sekwa a civil katia de Bulidin Carre Nadananim from Soko to Sekwa from Sekwa to Sompa. Oh, Omannhene Kadima why?
Soko to Sekwa to Sompa. Now just send Crawford Frey. Says Siaka Steven here said Dunketianom ne and penny for more dear na mo ye dia boa Soko ne Sekwa ne Sompa for.
Oh,
Moa Bemu, if you watch it, General Secretary Siaka Steven, a member of Parliament. Mutumin come home, moi. Amanyo sem basana muguana moyana, a quantity na mo man for bre. Uga kase sia, obiabe my reason why. Abba. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
About your Omannhene.
About your with Steven Chibisankra, make us a free AG.
72.
Oh my, so for I use one and person the Kakakra.
Tiwano pay.
Say, NDC for another politicians, another a Yabo Manu Kase so for on free politics in one. A doom baby a men in Yadri. And some say politicians, yeah, never sorry them the pass of watch out. Near more platform, no more dear. Akasachin, sorry, man. Nay, then our politicians, a year but be deep, nothing, we not so for the Ochena Bina. Won't say Omu free politics. A yes, and I a cat soft say. Penny for baby say, Penny, it will finance and more private Nanka. Now, when Tian Tiamone Bunanka for Penny Wakahumbi. It is a soft Emma politician platform. It was sorry them. No, it's not by a campaign. Now, at the end of the day, now say politician, a year beginning with Yanka. The same way never target software on the say, software no ADC and our NTP. I think I'm in quantity. Young woman and Casanche youth know the way I use social media, any Obuna and Fama opinion leaders. I was saying, Mona, Yentimi and Kamat and psychic youth in Nadrin. Na Yina or Mani and Yin.
Thank you very much. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Minia Bema or Omannhene Adubuachi.
Omannhene.
The batch of justice in the Casafra for Hidi Omannhene.
Justice mean Tiwano.
Omannhene, and I know Pay, Monimutu, a bomb about Mapa, Moyabua, or Mine Ghana. Omannhene, Mekoma Samson, Omannhene, Uba Kenya from Kenya to Hidi, Omannhene, Uber Quina, Omannhene, Araho, their bread. Epesia Omannhene chuchupa ensusuta teche ye papa calling down the atna so 20 something years Omannhene who akwanya ye faso ewo Kenya to Hidi ma Omannhene anu eden nti ye fere papa calling down the moyen and a new month ahemfo no mo Kenya se ni Hidi mu omo so ensole na ahemfo no omo moyen Omannhene ahemfo no moyen omo nsole na omo nkasa. No, I'm not quite in my Omannhene Yango Ponka, when you are better for.
Yamin Shawso, Machio. Hello, good morning. Pacho, why would you mean a moment when in a TV and call for why? Hello? Let's move on to the next person. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Pacho, how are you?
Pacho, Kwame Edu.
Kwame free.
Kwame Edu.
Free.
Mekasafri Kintampo, Jima, Kintampo South. Pacho, France and another way I had a bit of a BBC factory, kettle factory or carbon. And so the factory might be piano this year or Kintampo South and maybe piano. You move piano and airport.
Be a factory, no factory in Yajuma.
And Yajuma, what this is not a baby, but and Yajuma.
Mate Kwame. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, how are you?
Tadia couldn't make a fafo.
Tadia Kunkasa.
Many I did not could be because it was now for South Area hooking. You have to buy a letter, executive for Mokoda Price. After the appointed by a time, a man covered in Agina Yipia, and the Pantia here. Young for number 20. Contractor does not call it Prince. Yeah, went to me in my head.
What's your contractor bear?
What that?
Now, move on.
You would know better at the question I answer the matter. Who free the cost and qualifying for it. I could be what I don't do. I took to work. Pay a master warrior. You won't be that. That to a worse and qualify. You don't be work. I you want to. Ebi mu ye kwan no kama na ebi mu so nye sika lam se maybe mu bia na masa e prayer contractor na wo atotro mu ye no anya kwan ketwa beto ba san qualify main road na e kwan no ye ntimi eti me so na contractor ma na wonya ha what that's any over to you. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Ciao hanye
Omannhene boafo ni Kasafri Techiman.
Yo boafo
Omannhene metia wo ne wo hini niwa ne wo bigafo ni na ni abema boafo le tase Omannhene ye me kan say osofo na sem na wo kan ye na o mo gi na no si bom enu ti na politicians na hu sa kan na o mo titi ye bad no don because I can you know kasa na osofo no kasa agombe ja ye o mo de ye and you for na kan one or two I suppose I can't one more print you. If you know what not when I will be a pass left hand. Oh, you know. If you are a set for any reason, almost solid, you will cut on up politics. You say you want to be set up for you. Omannhene Yamin Council,
how much you? Oh, I need
a friend Patrick, because I feel go so.
Take my mint you.
Oh, my way there. And yeah, yes, you know.
Sompa 93.1.
Yeah, Casapi, could you joke now also? Oh, yeah, quite do baby. I know a fairly pan can do the ground could be the good gusto, but a quite fin or few quanos on my so quite fine and the share of Fusi, Brew Casapi, the Diaco or mine. And yeah, crap, and then what she using it for increment to more than mine. Yet for my was a BBA, yes, what we could consume. So, okay, they were Nancy Sushi, the easy for the say, a cow would dear, won't change. Why any individual and said because you have a dollar is a criminal. And I'm also better to get the queer, so because of the ministries, any agencies in community like this, now we'll show one to be from Concord, but individual, they can't 50% of the channel light me. Into a man, the Ghana when they can demonstrate.
Thank you very much. Now let's get the videos on. Let me say a special birthday to Nana Susubribi Krobi Asante. Asante Asokore Omannhene. Nana Yamautrinkwa. Onyemfie Ediokron. 90 years. Professor Dr. Susubribi Krobi Asante. Asante Asokore Omannhene. Onyemfie Ediokron. Efijasi Asokore. Asante Asokore. Nana, on kwaso, the mountain kwa. Okay, 90 years. Yemfa videos no. Na yentie wom.
Omannhene, good morning.
if I'm question because I feel cool, that's one. So I think that you the media now is the problem of Ghana about 70% problem of Ghana. Problem I hear from this year because I don't know the reason why politicians, you know, you invite them to your various studios. So we be express your views and as we make a candy over Debi omubaho, Debi azoba be control. So I was suggesting saying media houses no. Instead saying can we invite politicians no, can we invite ordinary Ghanaians? If you are my more job ne, your businessmen more town. And we business now go do my studio be all time be open your time be all invite my studio. No make can your man ha to before because politicians no. Obi ti met na hono na o kasa de because ono ne hoto no on tofe ti onyala cross everything na ona ma onim se bibia ya okay no ma bet na studio no ma be control oh yeah be ye you overhead one be touching you ha no ma bet no be control no moko a month later no ma be control no moko whilst ordinary Ghanaians no are more from no omunya opportunity bia so be come asem.
Omannhene, good morning. If I show Mechia of Nene, Kenya, Fabri East. If you see who say do so not start here, too much. They say who's prepaid. Prepaid me feel me so prepaid as do so seconds. Quite one have a fear a show. If you see who say do so not start here for Kenya, ECG phone card. Na you, Madam.
It's fair. So you don't know where the guns are? Who tied the guns? So who was
you
the
think say we are here to joke,
him?
man?
What is his name? There was a certain guy who was dragging him.
With all this,
huh?
It didn't help you. Oh, okay, I see.
I said there was
you.
There was a gun dragging.
You are dead. You are dead.
The guy was dragging you, right?
Okay. Good morning. Me did the Kebedu. My wife here at Josu Government Hospital. That was January market Yama. According to wife, which is the whole facility market Yama. It will try to find out from the HR. HR just control us what you scan. Now what you scan am why? Up to now you need baby like you need baby contact you say. I had a call. No one find out this scan. I for the scan akudi. Omannhene boy. This is my first time of calling on the program issue. Boy, I know who you are.
Omannhene we dem chaw no bagafo nyana na pen. Ya fam super me kasa free asante bonwiri. Ntia me kente gum koma no pen no. We dem me ko bonwiri town rules. Eye honorable community so dium. Ehye kwana se oyamayen. Ena fofia ntoata. Ena odi free so koye. Ama yiwura radio nkuma eba beto aso. Na kasa na yemu no radio nkuma na ma okwa aprobo no. Ohihye bo se oba obeto aso. Na kwan enye sapetin. Eye asphalt. Ena also ye de oyamayen. Ba echi no radio nkuma begina bonwiri e kan se kwan no kra no eni contracting. Na you say any contract no yen bonwiri fo yen de town rules no. Se ntontom nsuo tatam no ntontom na every kroma. Me ka se me unit committee member o. Me ma ho oden no ewe. Wo de ba na me hwe so me aye. You say you know omo se sanfidi no ko ye no. Obia esi abim. Eye ye brother Kofi Job ene na eye kwan no. E be se ye lajo nkuma emra ho no me ye kwan no man na bonwiri aye tan. Awo ho bakuru nim.
Ishano abujafo efrem ekomojesi kase firi amoma ai wobu isudugin kentampo south oman wadaru mamsiro yakwan ye atutu kura afibia dura na mpanyifa begina ho akasa na ma hyebo akase omukọ a yehu hwebiem ntimisiro nka bi mai na ma yakwan mai sakwan no mantimi anya ni afiwe ni afiedi anima abato edi anim de obi an najo se osu abaye campaign eni obi ani abato ekwan ni bi kwa na wadaru mamde ase no ntimisiro yima atifo ni ahwefo ehu kwan a omanfo nam so wo amoma bro isregin kentampo south odo obi ase nyame kan no bujafo shalom peace bye.
Omannhene, good morning. It's Chanu Apamfo.
and the quality of boko and I did be a ya sit in the name of shit massing. And he say, no, me to Lion King. Incest in your promotion. Ghana had I did be a promotion, yeah, no, I had not aspire. And now, a promotion, only you. Lion King promotion with you. Incest not spy. And now, a more con. Before then, I've been born away to Musa. Well, Adriana and could obey no Obian Moja. Obedia, obey no, the idea of Blenaba. Mr. Ramon, I'm come once a moment. I'm from Penny for I'm from two men. I didn't know more than yet. I've been born away before you timber Damas.
My good morning. I'm in here only with you for you know my pamoye. Diana Kwame can come because if we quick get it here market. On my dear Genesis, on my way, you hear good leaders. Or more big two or more see what say. And found one is any situation it's a drum the no cre, a baby or mine. On mine, bit me I pro any person and I see any cinema. On mine, a breakthrough. Say, your making in your Jumaya. A quite benson. On my social family from my parents, probation is a pound, and so name you may be so. On my any appropriation and also, they are not 33 million. A chain and in paying for that drink the next 10 years' time. So, among the media, it's a population of cost, natural, it could do 50 million, 60 million. Again, it's a on my idea about one, I wasn't paying for the ticket hospitals, security, health. See, yes, I know me in every year, 18 years. Who's on mine after the any problem, therefore, a work, security, health, and education. One. On mine, there was a year and say, a brass to say, you're working on time. Full Juma, and also company, not for Juma. I was here working hours. It's a nipani 5 hours. It's a nipani 12 hours. I work at your head, and I was a Sunday running, your running shift. Oh, when you Juma, you said, so will be a more bank, no be Juma 7 days. Not a fee, walk on a big fee there 6 days, and a 7 crack. If you cramp with the 8 o'clock, you pay 1 mile, Omblano, not just if you are a passer in Polano, just made in our home.
Good morning, your friend Asari. Napco training, educate Ghana. Mine here, in Mami school, village, your friend at Chumampono. I want to make sure the headmaster from me. Say, mass and science, I'm not to my name is Cyril. Mr. Catcher and Ado, with a permanent in the 1 5 1 a contract in the Senna and Napco for you, my name. Oh,
good morning. No, a baby phone. Your friend Angel, because every sounds been thinking. Oh, my, let me say, make quine, then me can't, it has been thinking for me, quine was a man until we be now, and then me Busasa or man, you near a young pabuanso, or man penny or here then. There be a becubia, so selection near ton 90 cities, and they do 1.5. Let that I turn on 15 cities and a 220. And you are quite a coster, and I'm the shoemaker for any come out for a new beer, and so my moon in our baby for my team will be a Belgium and Pabuano fashion. Into Musa and Panima say, shoemaker for dinner or ye. Names you, baby, and Suijina. Madam Marcy, Yaman.
Here, I do watch it. Good morning. Within the 7 months, I'm free. GDS or no, you may phone you now here. Mind him, the MD pouch of Mr. Dr. Anyans, a bus and mammy. So Napcono, a gua, or me, a moosua, or me. Because bear was means any. I bet your mother. What young corner, ye fem. See a beer squares, your school, and no intimate fee. You won't say make because my frame coordinator no assurance. Validation on by Yami on the Kutian Babanos. Validation is well. Say me no Casemi Yao. As I want to get 7 of my internet. What I got be free. So, Fema and Nami, it's you. No new mass and medians of the Clergy. I'm Yami Pouch. Fairman, and that's it.
Nana Kofuaru mo achano pay. Good morning. Oh yeah. Ah, ase na modi abegusi enchira de ne classroom ni. Ah, o we chira oru mo a hono mo no. Oh, sorry be di mi na we chira oru. Aha, I don't see a come pa ye chiamo. Sa u 201 million na o de koma mo ire no. Ah, ya mo mebi nsu ya so why? Ye che obi bia na no pay. Enkola no so omuguo ye blackboard. Aha, won. Aha, ase ene ye che ba ko na bete wono. Aha, ye chiamo.
Yeah, we did the Mustafa Hassan, Professor Free, John Reddy District. Yeah, was here for Uniba. Yeah, you know, I say, and see Baba is a way, no, Massa, free education, I'm more kind of free education. And yet, free education is a more margin. What's a wow about Kobe? I didn't my cow woman, I was a free education. Because me Bakobi, Nelson Bakobi, Massa. You ever try something, Kakran, Massa, the banner, penny, Bocas of some quar, or Bethany, you Boca by the 4 million. A son will be to exams. Just as in the corner, and say, I'm only saying 2 million. It is free education more can be there. First, let me go school fees, them to 70 pesos. Nina, yeah. No matter how much free education near you, a boy at it in the but I'm a fantastic free education. Or Banco Scuba, already. Okosku beridi ndenya free education say mo hunu mesra mo mo koma se mo kan yi esa E-levy asana mo kono esa wo se no sika but E-levy no ere abase e tax be do no ma so ba yi a ya hwe no ye na obutuma ye ma da ho no hoto mo nye say E-levy mo se maguto adi E-levy akwahye to mo dia it's not fair no kro kana mo mpere kro ka what does it kana mo kan kumkum ho nuba ho ne kan wasre de kunuba akohwe city kwa pia no papa city kwa pia no ekwa to tu rofrofrofro e city town ni nyina sei e wan pi wo this yi wo de masa anye fe.
Omannhene, good morning. We knock kase free burger. We dey ma penda da mahama E-levy yesre no fanto nchen. Ne ka communication tax akofo de bom ka so mbom betwem. So mbom timbe justify no. Tubo nim kura nti yesre no fanto nchen na ese Ghana for ye ni da ho. Na afi na akofo nso free last year October ene your contract no ba na wiye. Na mo kire say mama 1 year extension. Omannhene free sa October no isika ba no up till now 2020 May isika mai ti mon kan kire mo na do nso ni ministers no ebi atena mo to so ache adai obi na ya na do aduru ana wontimi nkeka no ho kakra mpo sei emai ministers here ti ho amo akwanta ne na asefo yi hwe chese unhu di omo ye yesere no onkeka no ho medase.
So this is Kuliguna Primary School, located at Kuliguna, one of the newly created region, that is the northeast region. And this is the situation at a
Mo amushe TV no. Mo amushe TV no. Mo be kaya enche bia na brante ba ku teacher ni. Ye ne di nkomo. Me say ne say omaye hunu school fo nkwala no. Omo te bia omo wom. Bema producer sa friend na breme. No wa me hunu MP no any constituency no ne ade no. Timislawa, director, go back. Director, go back. Very good. Now, yes, starting play. Let me get to the gentleman. Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Pacho, so now sending me video, see.
Pacho,
what that Roma? Yes, school no constituency and our district bay.
Pacho, district, East Mamprisi district.
East Mamprisi, Mr. Mamucha East Mamprisi DC. And MP, Emma Temano Paya, we have to speak to them before we leave. To Asumame. A chronic didn't say.
Bacho Kuliguna.
So Kakabio. Kuliguna.
Bacho.
Okay. And East Mamprisi district, me boy.
Bacho.
School didn't say.
Kuliguna Primary D. Sorry.
Kulekuna MA.
Yeah, Kulekuna MA primary school.
MA primary school. Wadaroma. Wuni MP no.
Overture minimum ba minimum personally ba to me hono.
Unim ni di.
Bacho minimum ni di.
Ti bacho kwala no ha no mo tre sua de.
Bacho ayo ho na sua de.
Na say what de hombo a.
Bacho ayo de.
Okay, you keep your name away. I don't want to have your name now. Echa. Eju we mo e de na o kire o mo.
But you and I was Casano so me free her.
Eju o free na ba
Okay, if you mention on to have free.
Masin ya do beto ha. Eju omuka kasa be.
Omuka dagomba ni mampu.
Dagomba ni mampusi. Ena wo want dagomba ni mampusi.
But o min temu bia.
Eju kwa be na afa so kire o ma de.
You won't grab Bakuba community and see the Kana, my translation for Mukasa Mount.
The Aqualan classroom way, the one you grab baby say.
The Indian crab 8 years.
The one you be 8 years, and I will catch and I know the Chrome cast actually. That's eventuality the old kind of one test. I don't want to mean you.
I want to mean so that is the difficulty we are finding. And because one did not me Canada, I was explaining something to them, and I'm becoming say, Omokasa no make kind of thing. Then now I'm coming through. In the 8 so I was saying that after that, the thing was ringing like in my ear. So that me might to be disappointed me at the time of saying, as a chairman saying. And so Tremor say, the Inquana Catamon and yet as a chairman, there's a different thing altogether. So events are always an army somewhere, and in some kind, I dare you can, I'm somewhere there in papa. But the interpretation of man, 93.1. Was that was in the interpretation of more mommy.
But your way a class, bay.
But your way a class KG1, KG2, and class 1 both together.
KG1, KG2, Gola.
In class 1.
And a class 1.
Yes, it runs throughout. We also have class 1, class 2, and class 3 in one class. And we have
KG1, KG2, and class 1. Now, I come about one class.
No,
over this year, dear.
Once at times, no, it runs through. There's no class K1, at times it runs through. So, the same kind of try to manage and teach what you can do.
But that's why. Thanks so much for the production. But your Eastman Prissy district, so different constituency near day. Constituency near day.
Hello.
But your Udim constituency no. Okay, you get it. You get the constituency for me. Why?
Okay, I'll find out.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Good morning. Mr. Fleming is here watching. We are bombing or Quapon. Yes, now for South. We are bombing hollow. If you are nabo, a Lucopokum Persuaso. Omannhene, Emra, NDC Boko opposition. Na Quapon, ye see community center, ye Quapon town rules in Quapon, which you so na book, a Lucopoku Adawroma, or my issue. Here could you 100 million to foot. And then another MPP are buying by our son. Or better son, a woman penny for a office or no, and penny for no more. 100 million or more, and I didn't show car. Community center, and easy. A year I am called for MPP for more quapon. It was a sub brosson in idea.
No, you need the like omo ti ko fe gum na na amana party no kwa e ma so the whole Ghana nipa baby no ana me sa e de ti kra amana wo China e de ba dan wana ba e bo den oton so enyi eno ana wo ye e de bi ahwe ore no ba wanye ni sa ye sre Ghana ban so mo nye bi fa ma ya ya nyene kituma no no ma pa watan mana bɔden so de yɛ ntoma no wia ɔna bɛtɔ ntoma no ma wo nso ho ayɛ sika ni ɔmani ɔma yɛ bi.
Good morning, Omannhene. If I'm Clergy, because every Kumasi, the American say, Ghana, no, and maybe ba may muha. Ye nyabutre Emma, I didn't money you who see the city and sana. The very city, I didn't banu, sebe boy and I say, Moy. Ubi at the bana no candy open. It is a E-levy ba. I want to qua our parliament. Any idea actually or my Kesiek, I can see pa Nazunya by a as a Bibia cramai. Uko Yiska, a no mat setter than a Usaniska, a no mat setter than a Bibia different be any Uko Yusika, 1,000 cities na dow of Fonsoa, 10 cities any at your free sword. Uko Sanu Sika, dear. Agent for a charge dada na said another than it and no one that's what ye did me who didn't hear none to quite by my
good morning. But you're a prequine. I don't know where my quine that just my prequine mine. Someone you acquire my good test. It's in sure some good test in that was.
Morning. Opokuni, because every Kenya say brim. O my person who's Ghana, Kenya say another Kwabri East. You can't Ghana for one because Asante region Kwabri East for two Papa MPP. But ya quite be anywhere, Papa, our Kwabri East. Yes, sir. Bani train, Nanny Kakram, and Kwabri East for Susan. It's for Benny. In your break, as a free and a demonstration, do you about dear our coin? Since you talk, be free, I mean, track at home. Namasi.
Alaji Seidu Isifu Baba, your constituency is where we went and we had this video. It's Alaji Seidu Isifu Baba, Wadaroma, Chuani Kosha. What's the name? Koliguna MA Primary. Nago Shem Kwalano baby omotie. Eastman proceed DC. Se wu temia. Ko na mongo shena as that is the MC Municipal Danlad.
The Abdel Naso.
Danlad Abdel
Naso East Mamprusi Municipal Chief Executive.
Ena Alaji Isifu Seidu
Baba MP.
Bakubewo NDC, Bakubewo MPP.
We so really sitting on the ticket of MPP in 2016 one maintaining.
Na just say wo de mukro mu de ohireba ndi de ne papa te ase. Animu he ya nkwala no suku no. Munkonam kohe asem wo ye nya kada kopim se behu development wo san kwala mu na enkonwa kura keke wo motete fam Eastman Prusi Danlad se wutie ye ne a loso bomotin ne koye de obetimi aye bia momo munkunya ntraso as an initial thing na mun hwe se mo betai e fam mo be good ayi friend say cement ni ye aba
mono des no ye ba ko say 600 Ghana cedis so say 650 say 700 cedis the infant say 700 cedis
me feel say Eastman Pussy kra no ye wo bia o tie ya ono so ni nsem kra ye bia onko boa wo
dabi Omannhene obekom kra na mpanifo bia agedi anya sika ontem ho no omko sa school bi
anso so wayi nani
omboa what the giant aban sa aban na me.
All right, immediately yamra no ya tia e pa yamfia ni nkyere Greater Accra Eastern Voter and OT emra nti ye kabom Greater Accra Eastern Voter OT yentie mo e wi ani aba Samson region Greater Accra Eastern Voter OT region mom timi mfre na muso mo nkyere mo Send your corner, Yamamuswan Kasabi. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Pacho Haneka Joe Pacho, my radio and TV in call for Mammy Pa. How can I free?
No, Pacho, because of radio.
Oh, what do you can meet you?
So, I didn't copy from my mayor. I believe you to meet president. Now, you told me about time to get to go to Hanum. I want to go to that 7 years. Open a dear single one said, the other fan said, dear, I do who the most say, I believe you. You have about the two, a brother say, go to best of years. I did wait and I am a believe. Kufijo babu tukori na ridiem Kenya ku ba dia ma tukori ku yen e pe fo ridiem ma no mo yan he no ridiem fo yi mi se ridiem good president me ni mu sia obo ma yin mu bi so mu ni mo de kind of ba honorable consul da ne owusu bempon MP omunyina fi omunnim ade pati nkofo ne ye wo omunnim obi aso de ho ma wo mo e framu ka di ma ye na. Demonstration.
All right, thank you very much. Let's go to Accra, Greater Accra, Eastern Volta OT. Hello.
Omannhene.
Pacho Omannhene.
Omannhene Ali Dankasa Omannhene.
Ali Ukasa free.
Because fifth Medina, Libya quartet.
Sompa
93.1. Medina, Libya quartet.
Medina. Okay, quarters. Mamintio.
Omannhene. Me chawa Omannhene ana na Nigeria kura unfre kofi wa yobium
Chuck Matima friend why
ya friend who ba stage why say friend yentere kasa eno Omannhene osofu na asem na okaka ya na amanfo e kan Omannhene obia enka se ma osofu bia enka se wo kuro ma o. But Omannhene, so who problem? You have problem with somebody. So also problem with your mama. On catch Ghana for you say problem with the man. But all person all the politics. And wouldn't a person attack and this attack your mama there. This time no. Why who person who attack your mama? We are not people. Yes, so there you know they care about also life at the amount for
very much. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Maybe I tell you.
No, we have my JD.
Do our radio and TV go for Bukasa free hand. Bukasa free hand. Hello, good morning. But your radio no man in from when ye. So now you so ubenya kwa rembu na afida. Hello.
Yeah, why I saw a car. Okay.
Talk as a free.
Ghana I say Kota Sasia, ne go the name annual phone. You maintain no more, no just 5%. 5%, yes, 30% come why. We are not going to start to some time for about 15 years time. Ghana over here. It's no better. No guarantee for cents. So I don't know come to my sister 15 million currency. It's not body or him who are country don't mess with it. Almost say and do what I should do to blast or country ready. It's a group wide and then the boy ahead in the listen is not now on my way.
Thank you very much. 21st Clinic, expert in sciatica. Na oto ase a etwe kosi sisi kosi nasi a wo breno. 21st Clinic se men kan kire wo say e manin how bio last stop no eno ano no. Sounds so e na wo 21st Clinic a e ma yare hwe ma yare ahodo nyina no de me se tatia case. Wo de an say fa wo maame unua wo dofo a ohunu amane e wo sciatica ho no. Fakodani, your laboratory and scan services from Kwa ye massage na ye treat you out him say want also from your about 15 branches Ghana ha Kumasia Ayawabasi Junction Alpha Radio in chain over we or Boise Council Quarters Court Junction and Koko Atani Ata Yeni stadium main gate di hwe animu. And anka easily gone American House. Your number no 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. 21st Clinic experts or sciatica experts. Hello, good morning. Mebacho Enche TV no mamenti unkawa. Hello.
Hello.
Mebacho wanye.
Yepemi Adega.
Adega free.
Free Akachi North.
Enti ono pay.
Yo. Yekahye mupa.
Ase.
Eda mo tani mojuma pa muye. Na masa mu ye nyenu tiawa. They the kind say go to a flower road. That road ye road no between 1988 name of secondary school to 1992. Na so share na say 1988 between no road no a good 30 years.
Thank God.
And develop some cracks and wire between that stretch. A major road about 130 kilometers. And the best say road no say na on this city no say no 30 years over. On the not the abandon who be. I say the second point to say this is not the first time somebody has proposed to repeal a tax act. This is a big even MPP for our banks they say almost about 17 taxes. They were able to repeal it. And if what is wrong if somebody says if you come this tax, that tax, this tax, you repeal it. I don't think we are there or say taxing it now say they are to repeal an act is just a simple thing.
Thank you very much. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho Hanye.
Pacho, Lady Steven, I can say track.
Steven, my you.
Pacho, Omannhene, baby, I'm with you. Oh, guys, bring up by you now, you killed you. They're how you know, and not cool. It's good, mass. Baby, municipality, baby, a man in and out. They say, each city, baby, out. And to Boston calculate it. And two as you move down. The PI for 6 good months, your colleagues say, be done, Tamaso, be down, but communication will be unconfident. From top to down, you see, I was saying, falling to who say, you did it. But almost who did it. What at least we be clear, a common friend can be being cherished, be out. Be a communication, be a mountain, be a E-levy, be a yes. But from top to the beyond can be behind and I am frustrated.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Hanye.
Uncle P, the first Western region, and the man.
Uncle P, Western region.
And the man.
Uncle P, where you factor me, you chama abroso. Hello, good morning. Yanko, a Greater Accra Eastern voter. Hello. 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 0551931931 0548931931. Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services. Yeah, dear. Apomudino yatene te. Se when you stroke palm and you dear with that form. Emani how Brian Kachi ye be year free or diabetes. A 6 area animal jabroso hypertension, hepatitis A, B, C, D, and E. Ye di ho juma or ye funumu kro ye ulcer, ne peptic ulcer, typhoid fever, malaria, ne crowd ye in kutu. Ye may come for a mound say doctor catcher will say now baby and now Johnson and said that may ye well who say we in your prostate cancer na enlargement. Ye be di ho juma the amount. Bema no is oh de pre. The man is one mumpe. Dr. Grace Body Sibra, no page mount. Oh, how many? One mumpe say a muye drew. Now at least a bony moisi, Timmy Page Jinasu, you ain't chain. I dare not call your la bisa now the prep robano. etu busa no so kwa adwuma ase de onimu anie na ni nyina moa mesrewa yes
kenru anko ye na nka anye ya kana ni age
that's with your talented kids na yeah what
so press paper any
yeah but now I know what to bambo na mi bia mu kakra bia
na aba for you bro
etimi akabi
okay yeah ni
no kan what to no na me kbo ni be sia
na sama say infertility na say I why you na for any kire ho sexual weakness or the boy near 10 na a man who twema no my omsase just said you 2 minutes man
and then kolanke to ejo so man temu no ani boss was eh feature leaders like ye kura won me mu we post school ni ejo so man ani boss was eh feature leaders munyize
hey besa my family number 2 Grace Gift 0244 126 123 Kwalara about the media no video
so my me am to say hey feature leaders college no be ATS ya kiri wa hemu ade ba
244 126 123 0244 126 123 and 0246 518 003 0246 518 003 sorry some more jina so ache hello good morning
Yeah, I make a safi in Coco. I know make a safi Coco, but me free. I have to make.
Yeah, my into.
I as you see South.
Huh?
Yes, through over calling Dada. Yes, na so very tower retire. What transfer MP since I call new dispensation Fourth Republic. Apart from one term, what council service, what ministers, good minister, you quite see, I cannot break the crown. I'm why you quite say, Fidian, Ukopa in Futuro, and Yadi, Ubedru, the other districts. So if you come say, bar, everything could go swap. Uduru, Mabaya. If you go calling Dada area, you quite. It is no work calling Dada. So I bra on trans moving maybe. No, I be. Yes,
you're calling Dada almost a brain at Nasi. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omannhene.
What's your wine?
Oh, yeah, I'm from watching the Cathedral.
Oh, watch me too.
Omannhene, where the Napa, some numbers and a caca. Last year. October 2021 and I contract in a year. And the Abaya say 1 year extension. Omannhene from November 2021, Bepem Seminole Casay, Ubianca and Trey. Most of them so I'm I want you may be you doing film or mobile head counting and so beyond Timinka, the interest and a china and a secret. Me, I'm no Casay, I was triplet or how I'm a woman.
I will say
triplet.
Why, in a son?
Ahinasa ya bibi kura
ena nampo no sukwa yentia oka
yentia from last year November ebe pem this year obi anka ahwenkyere ye sori nso ye kwa adwuma Omannhene eka egu mi so no etoda na me wira afo wa abrabom se ye wo me beto Ghana nti me sempanfo se na kona ni ho bi mu a omo nka nkyere ne ye opa ye adwuma bi nye de na say the bia ye kwa adwuma nso no ye nya ahwe mfiri mu no
hello good morning
morning oh cash man
we are no what me to our na me here cash
mate
mami too
where there
cash men TV no they all come at on kawai
yeah mate Omannhene and say na mapewa brepa na say aminya upa ya na me TV baby amenya wa nemenya we mate Omannhene yakopo ishia papa masemo ameka ne say E-levy abeya ye ka mo asemo say nya ba ko kan million asemo kan yi na ye no kore te say de we use Canada and one is o mo be de kwa bo tu kwa bo shida o si tax ya na o de Omannhene ye no pasa bo bia no na ye
Africans and yes, I could not my interest. Kakaka. The any yedi. Then you put my don't say any I see Kakaka. Maybe Omannhene. Maybe another buy, maybe another Obedian and Sompa, so I may buy the Manana Sompa, so Manana Sompa, so Papa. Omannhene and Yahoo.
So, hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omai.
Omannhene.
Original, my name, with what do you Omai, radio, make a Ghana said, E-levy a son and person Kaka. Omai, the patrol. E-levy a Ghana and ya be one yak. It is E-levy bed pan a change. The police for etiquette pradia. Sabi, no, the old Japan. Now, what did Kaka no cock? No, I two no cock. Meto Kaya Koval and Mako France. And yet, E-levy be any white change. Police me. Actually, be what brutality and driver me, and also be a two from that what jail booty, your friend bill. Now, by go straight, you can't go police in each move. Now, come on, your police in the bank. And to go to me so to come. Your camera, empty one thing, and to reach the police for much drivers at you with this car. If you can 11 Lukiana, what's the man? Or no, Sabi, you're sending a cacano. You're continuing saying, Abra, police to me a chick driver near Naplagia. I just cannot come out by. Sika any okwa afọ kwan so a tafo ya pankono ye wo police ni bi o wa o tia kwan so o betu ati plage dey 50 we tafe first sika no je no ye the plage ani kokota na sa kwa abai ho it is set sika na bai ni we ni ye na ma police for enji obi o betu e bola ato kwan so obi o betu so ba di ba sa na say grab ni a one party ye na first sika ni ya dani E-levy no.
Thank you. Hello, good morning. Omannhene. You free.
Then you 2024. Now, me have next week 12. Then
you chance, like I say.
You tell me that. Who cares for now? Big 12. Hey, on my team. Yes, I'm good 12. Who cares for now? Big 12. I'm a police can say. Sompa and you say, "Oh, this was your fault." Hey, E-levy rules and that. And I can control. Well, I just look at it. No, what could you do?
Hello, good morning. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
About your hand. My TV in conform, look at free him.
3.1. I guess, Busha will be
Greater Christ in Votality. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Patch on hand ye.
Make free offensive.
Who got that free?
Offensive.
Now,
Sompa 3. Omannhene program can never go.
Another region for about 4 swap as some burem.
What do you say?
That's a been new how.
Omannhene, I don't know, but for a car, I'm taking about a material.
Oh, they're my too.
I didn't have customers can say a fast case car. It's fantastic.
I shan't region for Casamu.
So for life. Fantastic.
So for life to Santas or not to fame. 350 pesos.
50 pesos.
You know what you say?
The community by itself, 28. No force of difficult so. But another side is to our prayer. First could be against her, but then a full cano.
Okay. Okay.
And that's so bad. Can you also 260 pesos?
All right. Let me go to the lines and speak to Honorable Alhaji Baba Seidu, MP Nalerigu Gamba Ga. Honorable, good morning.
Good morning, my brother.
How are you doing?
And good morning to your listeners.
I want to believe my producers have briefed you on a discussion we want to have with you concerning Kologona MA Primary.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Our listeners and viewers called and drew our attention to a situation at the school, which it's on TV as I speak with you, which is very deplorable. The children are seated on the floor and they have KG1, KG2, and Primary 1 together in the same classroom. What do you think can be done about it as an immediate measure to alleviate this problem?
Thank you very much, and good morning to your listeners. First of all, let me say that the issue of school kids lying on their tummies and cement blocks is not a new thing in my constituency. Okay. If you look at the length and breadth of the constituency, about 80% of the classrooms do not even have furniture for school children to sit down and have dignity and dignified learning. Okay? So that is the first thing. So this issue of Kurgwana is not an isolated case as far as the provision of furniture is concerned. Okay. But let me be quick to say that the Kurgwana is surrounded by about 17 communities. And these 17 communities do not have JHS block, and for that matter, they don't have JHS education. So people terminate at primary 6, class 6. Then from there, they either move to Nalergo, which is about 20 kilometers away, or other adjoining communities to access JHS education, basic education. So it is not a new thing to say that Kurgwana lacks furniture for people to say. Even the building is not there. And this has been there for a very long time. So over the weekend, we cut short for the construction of a JHS block. That JHS block is going to come with a computer lab. Okay? And that JHS block is going to serve the 17 communities surrounding Kurgwana. That is a step, that's a step to, take care of the gaps that we have around that enclave.
So, Honorable, your sword has been cut for JHS. Now, what I want to know is, you've been a member of parliament. This is your second term, if I'm right.
No, this is my first. I'm only almost 2 years old in parliament.
Okay. Then, Honorable, I can't fault you with this situation. I'm only bringing it to your attention that as a matter of urgency, try and work it out so that they can have a decent place to stay. And if you can also consult the East Mamprusi MC Loso, so that the two of you can try and get chairs for them. Dual desks for the children to sit on.
Let me say that as far as the furniture is concerned, I'm in collaboration with the Municipal Director of Education. She personally made an appeal to my office, and I've also taken it up with the ministry. I've sent requests and letters to the Minister for Education. I've also sent letters to multinationals to come to our aid. I've sent those letters to also embassies to come to our aid. So I am working in collaboration with the Municipal Director for Education in my constituency.
Honorable Alaji Baba Seydou, I'm most grateful, and I think you are making an effort, and we pray that it bears fruit. Thanks so much for your time.
Thank you. You're welcome.
I think I'm impressed, at least. Yamra Santiman Temni Entiemo, Ashanti Region, Monkasa. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Mebacho Hanye. Joso Hanye.
Amidiane, Kofi Manuel. Metasafiri, Mazi.
Omannhene. Santi Region here, wono. Mami Ntio.
Santi Region. The fact about 12. 1 minute police if you are to what the motor so. What about you, Moto, community police will take one Chimoto, that's what you are so last this way. When the last man 2 million 1.5. I don't know. I'm going to say a better motor of your man. But yes, so I knew that in my soul, I know Jimmy or mine, remember the
Sompa 93.1. Hello, good morning.
Dr. Martin.
So, how are you?
What do you want to get out of manager?
I have yet you.
Dog, I'm about to write a few hours on Nature Piano. Secretary,
I want that one about Chame UFSO. Ghana region, Medasi, watch here. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Bacho, how are you? Sompa 93.1.
Good morning, Omannhene, you do what? Bacho, it became the economic station.
Educate, Mammy, too. Casa.
Yeah,
thank you very much. Me see no greetings. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Bacho, what am I going to say? Pakosi, ukasa free.
Ukasa free for Omannhene.
Mami tio, Wasem.
Omannhene me pacho. 3.1. Me tell say. Moral market police for Omannhene acquire almost the motor riders and first work machine. Yes, somebody look at 3 million. 3 million.
Bacho, how much you must sell a day?
Almost 90 road working.
Now then, also so to the motor number uguta license.
Omannhene, almost you are. Near the Oka, who's come to say no. Tanya no way now. A quite many other first a bit there. You can't almost see no. Oh my, you can't almost see no.
Sir, almost Jamo Quine, Sikana or Moji.
No, I'm going to pay insurance for by Yachimo. You can't have them more insurance for when we're from Munchavo or Mumpodia. So, I would show net 3 million. What about it? Can't almost no. You can't almost. Because police for home police headquarters simple, yes, barracks simple, any printing police stations far. Can you problem? 3 million, more to say it.
But I am moral market a police for me, bar.
Chief Inspector Pepra, moral market police for Omannhene.
See, Chief Inspector Pepra, day.
Pepra, already this judgment. Who wants to be a command to it?
Hey, but you want Bonnie the Chief Inspector Pepra.
Yeah, how much you 3 million?
How much you 3 million?
3 million. Oh, come from traffic. I say 3 million. What I say? Oh, which one?
Chief Inspector Pepra. I'm calling you. You name say no crash and no crash. But police for be brace so hold it now uncle Sudin or Mabo. Hello.
Hello, good morning, Omannhene.
Morning, Pacho, how are you?
Okay, I'm a crime because I feel that home after.
I'm here too.
Hey, Uncle mine. You share I say I don't want to quadrille, Yanka, Ghana. What say you acquire your number so at the court? I don't want to say in contact equity. I don't want to say a planning. My young child about console. It is Chris, a warrior pine so. You free and park near Boston Ball. Almost on my budget party, yes, here, parking. Almost the abuwa be to school quarantine in Yagro. Oko astronomer or my do okay, district Lancaster Mukrano, as a chromasa, you do a hormone. Or my city park and Clergy go singing Omannhene. Is a damn pan or man, young Quala.
Thank you very much. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Morning, when you?
Mustafa, because that's Bushine.
Mustafa, it's you.
The bunch of Ghana police, Omannhene, well, women said the idea police for you in Ghana, and yet, who will catch that one? I dare back when Hamid Pan and brought police for the chief of the two. You have brought Omannhene.
On the chief, boy, no, him.
I'm not saying more by Cassie. A bro, Omannhene.
Almost why a day.
Okutawi. So more boy and a boy to do something. Then am I? Bonnie Ben am I? Me and watching your more do me say. Omannhene me Gina Hobbies. Police force takes I don't want to go boy. I don't want some of one to pick up him. Omannhene me draw say na me su. Boy na catch on the dear born na my we no more chene am obu me say. So what a bonus so Omannhene. We draw na me su. No am there 7:30 to 8. Pick up na man o. Police ni na o ka won minimum no pa. Omannhene minimum no adwuma o mo ye no. Na wo ko ka kira hwan. Wo ko ka kira hwan. Beni be na o ga na wo ko ka sa mu akira no atu anamo.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Omannhene.
Selima, me ka seferia.
Ba me ntiu.
The patrol Nesre, Ghana Police, Regional Police Commander Kenya. Eko efia meduma. Police ni bi efia na sare. Bia wa ti pradia. Ni bia wa ti pradia. En be dia odi omko no. Sadia no
Ashanti region. Obia free police sa adai.
IGP no sa mu sesi ni EPTA. O ka te police phone so efi ko ga ne chefe e ma ni ti obi na emom ta odi elu be ye dia ni DNA ade na de bia mbeto ba akoso so eyusu ayi Toyota car red white color no be parking wo ayi badoma no ma yo mo nyo ma ti wo mo bia ko tra ka mu no ma cheke ya tra wo mo ye omo fom ya ti omo ka abai ti omo ka ya tra wo ma doso.
Thank you very much. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Omannhene.
Pacho Kofi Richard ni Kasefri Eboko Meku.
Into Kofi.
Pacho I official central ba office central ba sufulaya. If anyone temper anyone in Suta, city Taquan
yes.
For the Biomun who said, yeah, I won't see I am. And I have I couldn't say, I have for one. I didn't know about soon necessary officer or he bet my port 400 million, 300 million. No, discount with one discount. A choir was a banner, a light, I was a banner, and my train lights, man. Until I then are buying necessary or Omannhene for 419, port to a percentage, or buying soon in your be, then a coin say, not banner bay. Now, but when you have to port 300 million, 500 million, that coin say I was a banner. How no?
Hello, good morning. 3.1. Morning. Hello. Abidjafo hona menti omoso kana ya video baako ya nyantie say no so e offense. I don't know if we can have that video. Am I home? Okay. I say nkwala no so they are learning on the floor. Na and nenya ekira nyame ya adoma. Dwumadi a edi no fie ha no 9 kopem no nsia no eso na branche bi be kasa ya na ne nkomodie na nyina akoye te se ne hododo no a oda from kwame chei ekina na menim ne Sompa abusuafo ebekọ hodom na eno aye nyantie se tokwa bi si wo boko e ma nipa bi kra no etwero mu kana krata prese papa bi onye mfie de owotwe ni akire ko no akofa oye naba ma me kwa homa no so. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, hello, good morning.
Now what to say?
Sompa
3.1. All right. What actually transpired that led to this scuffle?
No, actually myself, the video was sent to me by a brother. So the story is that it's like they were standing around their homes. So when they saw the military men, they started running, and then.
So are you the one who sent us this video?
Yeah, I'm the one who sent the video.
And they shot your brother, or they shot them. Why did they shoot him?
Myself, I don't know the actual story. Like how come they shot them? So I was told they were shot. I was told they were shot. And the military ran after them and shot them. That was all. And the women came to like their rescue. to beg for them before they were allowed to be sent to the hospital.
And the military came there to do what exactly?
The military, you know, they were like, the whole place was like in flames. The shooting was too much. So you see, the military were trying to like let people enter their homes. So they were running after people here and there. So in the course of the running that they shot those two guys, and then they came to them and they were asking questions. Myself, I was just told the story. So I decided to like, my concern is the peace we want in that area. And the way things are going is like, I'm really...
What actually started this whole issue? Are you privy to the information? What actually happened?
No. For that one, I'm not privy to the information. What actually...
Let me leave you. But your video, no, I mean, sound on any day, not military man. I mean, sound no. Video, no, mom, sound to tsunami sound no. Because I think initially when he came, no, military man, no, you think we came here to joke or something? And if you see, one thing is the security brutality. Here, Asante region, omo free nyina ye moto. Yentie.
Huh? It didn't help you. Oh, okay, I see.
I said there was there was a gun.
You are dead. You are dead.
Right?
Okay.
It's fair. So you don't know where the guns are. Huh? Who take the guns? So who was
you didn't say we are here to joke, man.
What is his name? There was a certain guy who was bragging.
With all this,
huh?
It didn't help you. Oh, okay, I see.
I said there was there was a gun.
You are dead. You are dead.
Right?
Okay.
It's fair. So you don't know where the guns are. Huh? Who take the guns? So who was
you didn't say we are here to joke, man.
What is his name? There was a certain guy who was bragging.
With all this,
huh?
It didn't help you. Oh, okay, I see.
I said there was there was a gun.
You are dead. You are dead.
You're ready. How Bobby to say? Born in 9. I said, now also Mukuta to almost pay 2 and free one or move Janina. Anyway, but Yabafi, Asante region, Omokasa Nina, police. No more Papa be the chief inspector. 3.1. So crew from traffic light, Nasi. Moro market. Sika omochi omo 3 million. Majiasha no. Oh, adia ba kusuni. Motor riders no so. Impunity with which omo driving on our roads. Traffic light jina no rem. And it's an man on we go for windscreen and go for driving mirrors buno. And they also arm the police to also take action. But in their action, no, why are you charging such an amount? Would you say free motor for? Are they? Something police. 3.1. Yeah, Swami. Now ECG for Swami magazine for Bonnie Ben or Mayamo. Swami, you do can't send the asset. Kanye no Skyhawks for Kanye. Every 1 hour be a certain area at Swami ebe cut off. Obudum Kanye le sa just one share ya. By the close of the evening, now near say. Budum Kanye sa nobody is explaining anything to the people of Swami. The whole Swami. Kotoko, what they call fast here on more, even a higher way. You to do Kanye 4-5 times a day. 4 or 5 times a day, you do Kanye sa. I Asante West and Asante East.
They say Jama East.
What do Kanye sa Munkashi? Messi Baha ni Bosumi, Yenyam na Ochini, and run a Yenya, and then Yenya 6 weeks, 5 weeks. Every day. There's lights off. Are they? Bonani Sati, Yamina Tumnanka, Yanyama Nyina say. And nobody is talking. Swami ECG for Samutea. What is the problem? Electricity. At least, Munkabi Binche, the people here almost see a nipa. Nobody says anything. Oh, half point. They are so. Oh, half point. They are so. And also so then. I won't catch it so be a the whole Swami. Yet we do can be a 2 hours and so almost so ya fit and is so the machine so yeah fine. Don't sound a masha say wahana said. O can see ya obisuba be my explanation what to mean you who and I don't know. For how long now? Swami for Trahana every blessed day. Omotrasumu.
Engineer for no.
Mama shall say through Akosia. Na menje mo adwenchira na epeja emu. What ye nkrofo bebre say?
Ye peja emu akọ. Na wo my Ghana posifo. E na meka kakra de ato om so. Wo mo ye adwuma, ye mo mo ni adwuma ma ya ade. Na wo mo ye agidin bone e wo kwa bi so ebinom. Wo my wutimu say posini bu onu mu a wo yi na komam say adwuma no wo be ye no de asomo my Ghana. Ene wo bi nso ho no mu a wo no me fi Rocky so a ma me kama asem na jai hwa hasem no me fi taduku no no wabo enye de obi be ka no wotie wo gina kwa so wo be gisika wo ma bi se sisika na e de kwan na sa asem we say enye na ne ye ba be ka the last time ye ne mpanyimfo di ho nkomo e ma wo mo cha wo ma betimi aka chem senti IGP wonim sa police for gisika wo betimi aka chem senti inspectors ahodo wo nim sa police for gisika commander wonim wo mo ya we e di no ma ya fa ho wo ma say wo cheme na wo chime sika senka fun yi waji mesika sa me gitafon mi miamiaso ene waji wachina wo hia mi abasaje ebe yesu ne ban ti me hu bia menim se eyade eda ho eyade wo se metwia enti asotwe na wo so de ma me no wo mfa ma me enti da bia me so metwia de ama wo sa no ma no so emuo ma man puntu ntumi nkoso yesra posifo wo mo sesa no man no animonyam a egita posifo na nsa amra biem anya sa paade a e ha adwene
kwara ma mtio
Omannhene ko na me de kakra bi na me ka fa unua mp a woni ndi nkomo sesia no in fact me yema hye me kakra o Omannhene frankly speaking me yema hye me kakra
adai
every say o hwe the kind of education benefit be more enjoy na hwe ba bia asem no ene nam wo ho na obi also 17 and 7 kilometers and sana wako junior high school Omannhene so sad it's sad e ba sa na emwa yesrem panifo engoma sua
international school for Clergy.
And American. Why no hwan kwala omote fom yi pa no kura nyame nim nti we teacher ni kura na wo ho a opepa ben pa na wo de be kira de. Pese wo kira kwala de. Akwara Omannhene si yi MP yi a wo frɛ ni se wonte brofo a senko agu ho anim ase o.
Coming to 2 home.
But as senko agu ho anim ase.
MP, so you are say waiting.
So
speak on.
E bia na se teacher ni kira de. Kasa wo de kira kwala na de no. Akora ne ntiase ena nipa ba akoro nso wayi ne class ho no a asem no ono so
e gangalia ho
ena ono so kura na asem no bi wo ha no aka si
na class 8 years there no bet
etwa ba akora ba akora so madam keto
yesre wo mo engoma sua ye mpanifo asem oni amodidi ngoma sua achi no asem wo form
asem wo form free SHS so ama primary level no basic omo ye yi omani afri
omo ye oni afri so Omannhene nationwide o sa de we aye hwe nationwide
omani afri so
nationwide
abine man is a program but basic ebre by no so ne foundation
boga
ya wa min tell
yanko na akontani nyina no maka no oni nyina no maka no nya komne na
ko be ana ha
ni nyina no maka nsem ne bi ha
ono nani aji abro so esi bi ni obenya kora ne asore eni je abro so enu a wona ne kete so de asore a nene mi si nyame nwoma abo a ma to ne ha bi ni e ka no nkona ko asore
nyame nyuma she nkuran ma ko ma da fo da ho ma nyuma se kra cha ade ye mo e weki
akontami sro ho me ba jo ya benzia
yi di family
oh tie for wie na de nyina ye ka no ye sere nya ado empanifo me de napkofo ye nuano maba wa ne mrantie omo bre enti mampani na nado dam kwakufo ado katachi asona wo mpre kwa abrewado ku ya na yetia ka free mampon be hwa ho fede kontonso mesira wa nya ado mo we napkofo yi mayen na babro se wodwuma yɛni na katua fata no akwadaa no asɔre atua do de fa akwadwuma sɛ bi mu na mu wiram ɛkɔ kyerɛ adeɛ mepamotoyɛ papa nom wobi na sɛ sika na ba wɔte so a ewiase akatua oho so obi bre yɛ adwuma na katua momfa ma no yɛsrɛ mu tua wɔ mu ka deɛ to so mienu yɛteɛ no yɛ papa ne yɛ maame nom yɛ kasa so yesu yɛsua deɛ enti sɛ bia meka biribi na ɛnyɛ ɔda expect me sɛ de bia deɛ wopɛ sɛ wote no ɛno na mɛka ma wo me nso meyɛ Ghana ni metumi kyerɛ m'adwen so wɔ biribi ho nti sɛ wofrɛ sɛ bia yɛaboa ma ɛprɛprɛ me nti mede yɛnne bɛba wɔ berɛ a menyɛ hwee a na you are not being fair to me mesrɛ wo me papa a wofrɛeɛ no mewɔ ha sɛ me nso meyɛ adwuma sua deɛ menka hwee na ase boa ma prɛ me nti meboa mo ne me na ɛdi agorɔ moyɛ saa na moma adwuma no ayɛ den ama me bi ɛnɛ na meka yɛ ankɔ yi ama wa ɔkyena mɛka na kɔ yi ama mo why yɛsom nti moma yɛ kwan na yɛnsom.
Thank you very much. Abo non krono parameter duanan so na me kai mo se sɛnea meka yɛ no ano ɛkyena bɛɛ no me nsampa mu na menim abedwafoɔ ɛne sompa adwumayɛfoɔ no bakɔpie mu ɔwiamo ase yɛkɔyɛ kwame chei adɔyɛ ɛne ntimi srɛ wa sɛ wo so wɔ kakra pɛ sɛ ɔde boa na wode aboa number no yɛ 0244 809641 0244 809641 Grace Gift Herbal Clinic sɛnea medi kaka ho sɛm kyerɛ no ɔmo sɔ yasene 21st Clinic ɛsɔ yasene ɛne yɛde dwumadi ɛto so ɛbrɛ mu medi ne ɔman yɛdu boakye Director Yaki Rocky so na hwɛ de course ne baɛ the Chief Executive Producer Bright Entry akɔso asomwa Kukua Jando ɛne ɔmo aka nyinaa ɛnso so ɛbɔ chidom ɛkyena ɛyɛ yawada ɔdom dom yɛ ne a ɛnɔpa no num pɛpɛpɛ yɛne mbɛsɛ ahyia bio makramo
efie rase de bio ewura hwɛ ɔka sɛ yie na wonto aprɔto da